Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Hello,
evening.
sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. So, how is the preparation going on for the Quiz-2 exams?
Yes, sir. Very nice, sir. Little bit tougher, but it's okay.
Okay, so how was the mock for Quiz-2?
Bad.
Why? What happened?
I was not prepared actually. I faced problem in choosing like where to use permutation and where to use combination.
Okay. So, did you rewatch the lectures video of week 5 and week 6 and all things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just try to go through that. You will get the things. And one more thing, we have uploaded the tagged live session of revision session up to week 8. So you can go through from that if you have any doubt related to any concepts and all things. It will help you.
Which one?
Okay, so there is a section on the portal live session, right? Let me show you guys. No, that you can. Is my screen visible to all of you? So in
Yes,
the
sir.
portal itself, there is a section live session. Under the live session, there are a lot of tagged live session are there. So here is a week 1 revision session tagged like tagged means if you click on this, so there is timing like suppose descriptive and versus inferential. So once you click on the YouTube link, you will directly go to the point of where descriptive and inferential has been discussed. So similarly, tagged revision session of previous terms of week 5 and week 6 is there. So like you are facing the difficulty in multiplication rule of counting, so just click on this, you will directly. So what is the permutation explained with example, and also there are a lot of example. I mean each and every topics has been covered. Timings has been written there. Okay, so you want to know circular, just click on the YouTube link, you will directly go to that point combinations. So similarly for the week 7 edits, you can prefer these things. It will help you. Suppose you are revising the things, right? You are preparing for the quiz 2 exam, and you got difficulty like any what is the null event. So just go in the section. There is a tagged time session from timing, and there is a YouTube link. So you can prefer this subject. Okay, so mock for quiz 2. How was it for everyone?
It was fine, sir.
It was okay, right? And one more thing, you can
Yeah,
expect
it
the,
was perfect, sir.
yeah. And one more thing, in the quiz 2 exam, you can expect the EMQ things, right? Like in this, you can see as on my screen the fourth question. It is numerical one. Okay, it's something permutation combination related question. If you make a mistake, suppose calculation mistake in this question, so you will check the next EMQ question. I mean, suppose you are clear with your steps and concepts of permutation and combination, right? How you can solve the thing, but sometimes due to time issue and all things, suppose you made a mistake, calculation mistake, then we'll check the questions, next question. Okay, this is something. So we'll discuss the mock for quiz 2 first. After that, any one of you, I mean, if any one of you has doubt related to any concept and all things, we'll discuss the thing. Is that okay for
We will
everyone?
solve all questions, sir.
Not solve, but yeah, we'll discuss more, or you can say, I mean, we'll discuss if you are facing any difficulty, so we'll see the things.
Sir,
Okay,
Sir,
so
in the
yeah,
main,
sir, quiz 2 will be harder than this or easier than this? No.
you can expect same level, not, I mean, that much harder.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
And sir, most portion will be from week 5 to 8, right?
yes.
Yeah,
Approximately you can consider approx 75 to 80% from week 5 to week 8, and approximately 20% from week 1 to week. Okay, so we'll discuss the questions, and after that we'll discuss the doubts from your sides. Okay, Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm as I can feel in the first question, I'm hoping you don't have any doubt because it's a simple things. You have to just compute you have to just apply the covariance formula. Okay. So it was good. Okay for everyone. First question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X is given to
Yes,
us.
sir.
Another variable y is given to us. We need to just apply the covariance formula. But it's a sample covariance. That means 1 upon n minus 1 summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. Okay. And
Sir, it is one small observation or doubt I can take care, sir. See here, number of customers are in thousands. So can I take it as 12,000, 8,000 and add it? And for population, I'll take that n as total thousands.
just
So
take
can
it
I
which
make it as minus of that one?
just take it the numbers which given to you.
No, no.
Sir,
Why?
we should take 12, 14. That will only
Yeah,
do.
yeah, because
Why to
if you'll add some extra zero, so it will create some I mean, it will be tedious calculation for
No,
you.
no. My
Yep.
my question was,
Mhm.
if we do that way, should we take, then the n will change and n minus 1 will be changing, no, sir? It will not get exact proportional.
No, n is
N
5.
will not change.
N is
Why
the
N
5.
will change?
The n will not change, but n minus 1 will change.
So n minus 1 will be what? 4.
In
It will be
thousands, it
4
will be
only.
there, sir. If it is, for example, it is
Sir,
45,000,
why it would
n
be
minus 1
changing?
will be
One second,
8,999.
Naren, 1 second. What I'm saying, why are you considering n is 1000?
No, no, I will tell, sir, what mistake I made, why I did like that was,
Okay.
to take the mean, instead of dividing by 5, I saw that as sample covariance, no? So I divided by 4.
No, see,
Yeah,
sample.
I got it afterwards. I got understood
Okay.
for mean it is 5, for covariance and other things, it is
Yeah.
n minus 1.
Yeah, correct.
But here
Yeah.
we have to find covariance.
It's
No,
a
during
sample
that
covariance,
time,
right?
So
See,
N minus 1 will be there.
so mean is simple adding up all the observations
Yes.
divided by number of observations. This is the mean, which
correct, sir.
I can calculate.
Sample
Right?
and population is same.
We
Just
need
we
to
change with
about the
N and N minus.
yeah, correct. So mean is don't get confused, like the sample mean population means. Okay,
Correct.
mean is simple things adding all the observations divided by number of observations. That's all. Now, what is the sample covariance? It will be 1 upon n minus 1 summation of xi minus x bar into yi
yi minus y bar.
That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Sir,
got it corrected.
sir, can correlation could also be asked?
Can?
Correlation could also be asked using this means using this data.
Yeah, you can calculate the correlation coefficient, right? From this data.
And there
set.
is one way. There is means when ma'am showed us a graph, way to visualize the graph. If there is
you
some
can
relationship or not.
see you can
We have-
visualize
yeah,
by the
that
scatter
graph.
plot. You can visualize the things whether it's some positive linear relationship or negative linear relationship. But thing is that to compute the exact value, you have to apply the formula. Okay.
Yes.
That's all. So
Because
in the second,
using formula, it's very tedious to do.
No,
I'm taking
see in the quiz and exam and all things, calculation will not be that much complicated. Calculation will be simple. Okay, no worry about that. Okay, so in the second question, any one of you have any doubt? It's a simple things. We have to find the association
No, sir.
between the gender
This is
and
easy,
mix.
sir.
Okay, so
For this association, we have to calculate the relative frequency. No?
correct. Either you can compute the row relative frequency or you can go
column
with the
relative.
column relative frequency.
Or
You
else
need
we
to
can just
compute
guess it from here also. Sir. 15 is male and 40 is
guessing the thing.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. But what I'm saying, guessing the thing is will be good or with logic will be good. I mean,
logic,
right?
Should be there.
So you can see.
Sir, one question, sir. Whether there is association or not, how do we find out?
So okay, how did you approach to this question?
If the row relation is different, then there is an association.
Sir, I answered the other part, other choices, but last choice was wrong for me.
There is no association, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This
So this is the
is
not
not-
correct.
Yes, there is no issue.
Okay, Saktinath, have you gone through the solution PDF?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there is an association between gender
Correct.
and
See, how I can find, or anyone can find the association between two categorical variable. First of all, you should be clear. This is the categorical variable, right? Gender is a categorical variable, and willing to play is also categorical variable. Correct. Now, so we need to find the row relative frequency. You can either calculate the row relative frequency or column relative frequency. Okay.
Yes.
You
sir.
can go with any one of these two. So you know what is the relative frequency?
Yes, sir.
Frequency of that observation divided by total.
Yeah, right, sir. Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So there is
Yeah.
male S column, no column, and there is another column. Well, can you tell me the observations? 15, 40, 15, 15. Okay. So this is the 15, 40, 15, and 15. Correct?
Sir, male,
Now-
female change, sir.
Male, female.
Correct. Okay.
Correct, yeah.
Sorry.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So I can find the row relative frequency. So as you know,
Yes, sir.
relative frequency is nothing but frequency divided by number of total. Okay. So
sir.
here I'm going to compute the row relative frequency. So first compute the row total. So what will be the row total here? 55.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the row total for the
30.
female row? 30.
30.
30.
And what will be this total? 15, 15, 30,
30,
And
55.
55, and grand total is 85. Correct? So far
Yes.
it is clear. Now, row relative frequency. So relative frequency is nothing but frequency divided by total. So I'm interested in row, right? So what will be the row
Yes, sir.
relative frequency? So for this row, male row, how I can
15
compute
by
the row
55.
relative frequency?
15 by 55.
15 by
15
55.
divided by 55. Let's compute in percentage. So just multiplied by percentage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For 40,
40 by
divided by
55.
55 into 100. Correct. For the
Yes.
second row, again 15 divided by 55 into 100.
Yes, sir.
Then 15 divided by 55 into 100. And
Yes,
for
sir.
the last row,
Sir,
it's
30 no, sir.
sorry.
15 by 30 will come, no, sir.
15 by 30.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. It will be 30
15 by
because yeah, we
50.
have to consider this row total. Yeah.
Yes,
Thanks.
50%. 50.
Thanks for
This
this.
is 27%. This is 50%.
So it will be 30 by 85 into 100. Yes, please mute those who have not doubted of this. So it will be 55 divided by 85 into 100. Correct? See, frequency divided by this row total, frequency divided by this row total, frequency divided by this row total. Similarly for these observations. So far it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So what will be the
yes.
value of this? 15 divided by
27.27.
27.27. I'm not computing what you are telling. I'm just okay. What
Yes,
will
sir,
be this
yes, sir.
value? 40 divided by 55.
72 point something
72.7.
7.
Okay, 72.7. Okay. What about this?
50%.
It's a 50%. And
50%.
it's again 50%. And what
Yes.
about this?
0.352. 0.353.
0.352. That means 35.2%. Correct.
35.9%.
Yeah.
64.8.
64.8. Correct. Now
Yes.
we
yes.
need to observe the row relative frequencies for each row. If all the row relative frequencies are approximately same, then
Similar.
there is no
Approximately
association. Okay.
Okay.
If all the row relative frequencies, or if some of the row relative frequencies are different, then there is association. So if you observe this first row, okay, and this second row, and the last total one, okay. So
Yes.
are the values in these row similar, or is there a significant difference?
Different.
Significant difference, right? Here is something 23% difference, and here is something you can say like
Sir, it needs to have a significant difference.
yeah, something.
Only the second row it is similar, sir.
Second row is similar. No,
50,
don't
50%.
compute. See,
We have,
no,
to
see, don't.
we have to compare the rows.
No, yes, don't
Okay,
compare
okay,
this
okay,
value
okay.
to this value.
Okay,
Compare
fine.
this whole row to this
Okay.
whole row.
That row.
You can
Oh.
compare this 50 to 27. So there is significant difference, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, there is significant difference. So you can compare the whole row, correct?
Okay.
So these values are not similar. Okay. So that's mean there
Yes.
is a association between these two categorical
Sir,
variables.
if it is close a little bit, then it is correct.
We have
If
to
it-
do the total part also, like.
Yeah. You have to, because this is also row, right? This
But
is
sir,
also
if we don't include it, like if we are not considering, then also we can say, na, it's means
then
related.
you can also say, but thing is that it's a good practice to compute. I mean, to consider all the row. Okay.
Okay, we have to consider the
Yeah.
some.
Sir, do we need to check for columns also?
No. Either you can do by row or column relative frequency. It's on you.
Sir, if in case we find two rows same and one is different, then what we should say about it?
Then association. Why?
There is an
Thing is that
association because first and third row.
yeah,
are not-
if values are not same for some rows also, then association will be there. Okay. If it's similar, then it should be similar for all the rows. Okay.
Sir, if it is close but not exactly the same, then it is association or not?
Yeah. Similar means suppose this is 27.7%. Okay. This is 72.7%. Just
This is
assume
very different.
next row is coming out to be something 27%, and this is around something 71%. Okay. And
Then
this
it's
is suppose this is 26.3%, and suppose this is 70 point or something 93%. So you can consider this row and this row are approximately same, right?
Okay, so there is no association.
Yeah, near about. Not see, there should not be significant difference, right?
Okay. And one
Any
more thing
doubt
for for association, we find the correlation and covariance also, no?
Sorry,
But for determining association between two variables, we actually find the correlation, no?
see, you must be clear with the what variables you have, what kind of variables you have.
Okay.
Means suppose you have two categorical variables. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
So two categorical variables, so you can use the contingency table, row relative frequency or by the column relative frequency. Suppose I need to find the association between two numerical variables. Then
Okay.
which method I can apply to anyone?
Covariance or correlation?
Covariance or correlation coefficient. And association between one numerical and one categorical.
Point by
serial.
Point by serial.
Point by serial.
Okay, that's all. Okay.
And one more thing is without replacement is the same as without repeating, no?
Yeah, correct. Without repetition is same as without repeating. That's me.
Without replacement. Okay. That's
Okay.
it.
So any doubt in the third question, or is the okay for everyone?
Sir, was okay for me.
Okay. Anybody?
I got it right.
Yes, sir. It's a doubt for me, sir.
It's
Yes, sir.
mean,
Actually,
it
I
was-
have doubt.
Okay. Yeah. What is your doubt?
Sir, they first have to take a in the initial position,
Okay.
and then how to attempt the next one, and the rest of.
Okay. So it is asking about there is a word we have to find the all permutation of create without repetition, with or without meaning. I mean, it can be anything. Are arranged in some the letters which are in ascending order of alphabets, like A, then C, then E, kind of things. Okay.
Like
Then what will be the
dictionary
120?
word, like a dictionary word.
Yeah, dictionary order. So what will the
Sir,
121st?
what do they mean by without repetition? The word itself has the letter E repeated twice, right?
Okay. Suppose without repetition means suppose I have word create. Okay. You have word CREATE. Okay. And you are doing the form. And suppose you can do like this.
Sir, here is only one
Only
word
A,
as A.
but
Yes.
thing, yeah, it's mentioned like you can't repeat. I mean, it's for
Repetition.
clear the things. You can't repeat the letters. That's all about.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So there is create word. So for in the ascending order, the first should be A. What should be next four? How many letters?
Next
6.
maybe REAT. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are going in dictionary order, so it will be C. It should be C.
Yes,
Then
sir.
E. then E, then R, then T.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, then C, then E, then T, then R, then E, then C, then E, then T, then R. I mean, you have to consider all the cases. Okay.
Sir, in this we can use.
So this will
So
be
it's like 5 factorial by 2 factorial.
yeah. So it's a big tedious, it's a tedious task to consider all the cases. Okay. So if you fix A at the first place, then in how many way you can arrange all the remaining letters?
5 factorial.
5 factorial by
5 factorial by 2 factorial. Sir.
Since E are repeating 2 times, that means I can divide by 2 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
Why 2 factorial? Suppose you are going to consider this thing. Suppose this is R, this is T. Okay. Suppose this is E1 and this is E2. This is another E, this is another E. Okay. And you can replace these two E also, E2,
Yes.
E1. But in a final way, these two are the same.
Same thing. Yes.
So
same.
we have to divide by 2 factorial. Okay. So
Exactly.
for A, it's a 5 factorial by 2 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120 divided by 2. That means 60. Okay. So
Yes,
when
sir.
I will fix A at the first place, I will get 60 word. Okay. We need to find the 120 first word. Okay. Now, if you will fix C, then again at the 5 places, I can arrange the word in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Why? Because E are repeating 2 times. Correct.
Yes,
Again,
it's
I'm getting
120.
60.
So it is 120.
So it's a 120. So what will be the 120 first word?
First word,
E.
21st
It
will
should
be
be E.
just
So we need to block
We
the
have
A and E
yeah.
words.
We have already
Started
considered
from-
A. We have considered words started with C. Now we have to consider the word which start with E.
Yes,
So
sir.
E, then A, then
Then
C,
C.
then E, then E.
Then it's a normal alphabetical.
So it's a normal alphabetical order. Okay.
Sir, is this type of question given in any of the practice assignment or graded assignment?
I don't remember exactly, but
Yeah, it is there in one tutorial.
Tutorial
Okay.
type
Yeah, it
question
may
has
be.
given. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now
has
is it
given
clear?
Graph is the word.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. I
Oh.
got it.
Okay, nice.
Sir, I
What
think
about
I have a
question-
doubt.
yes?
So I have a doubt in graded assignment week 7.
Okay, Janvi, I will come to you. Actually, thing is that we'll discuss the first mock, all the mock questions. Okay. After that, we'll come to the rest
It's a
of the
mock
doubts.
for quiz 2.
Yeah, you had not attempted, right?
Sir, I have attempted it, but only few questions I have not attended because I am not able to understand the
Okay. That's yeah. We'll
probability.
discuss all the questions. Okay. So
Sir, I
any
have a
doubts
question.
in the
I think
question
one
number
question
4?
is wrong. In this
Sorry?
mock. I think one question number 17 is wrong. The answer. I think so.
17. Yeah, I will come to the
Sir,
question.
the B union C kind, that
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
sir.
Sayan, this
Union C, yes.
actually
I
0.7
told
should
you
be there.
about it.
There is some printing
Yeah.
actually printing mistake.
Some issue with that number.
So in the solution PDF we have corrected it. If you have gone through, I mean, I did as I can remember, we have corrected the thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is some
They have calculated. I mean,
yeah.
in a reverse order. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a typo. Yeah, so, sorry about that. We'll correct.
Sir, wait,
So-
for repetition, we have used n factorial by r factorial. Like, I mean, how many other repetitions? are
Yes,
there,
yes,
we are
yes,
dividing.
yes, yes, yes,
But
yes.
what is this is for straight like permutation. What is for circular permutation? For circular permutation, we have n minus 1 factorial, right? What if something is repeated in case of circular permutation?
See, it depends on the. I mean, will okay. I will come to this. Let me finish this one. We'll discuss it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So any one of you have doubt related to question
Sir,
number?
I have a doubt in this.
Okay. How did you approach to this?
So, because 8 participants have at most 3 stars, so I have done like we have to choose 5 participants, such that at least 3 participants must have at most. So I have chosen 5C3.
Why 5C3?
Because we have to choose
Okay. What
5
is the question? What is the question?
participants.
10 people participated in an online game tournament, correct? Out
Yeah.
of which 8 participants have at most 3 stars. Okay. So, 1 second. Let me create a page. So there are total 10 participants. Out of 8 participants, okay, have
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
at most 3 stars. Okay,
5.
suppose
Yeah, please.
this 8 participants have 3 stars. Okay, at most 3 stars means it can't exceed 4
It can
stars.
take 0, 1, 2, and 3.
And the game development company wants to take opinion from these participants about the game environment. Okay, in how many ways can they choose 5 participants? At least 3 participants must have at most 3 stars. That means we have to choose at least 3 participants from here who has at most 3 stars, right?
Oh.
So we have to choose at least 3. I mean, I can choose 3 participants from here, 4 participants from here, 5 participants from here. Okay.
Yeah.
And in total, suppose I'm choosing 3 participants from here. That means I have to choose the 2 participants from here because we have
Yes,
to
sir.
select the 5 participants. Correct.
Yes.
If I'm choosing 4 from here, that means I have to choose 1 here
One
from here.
from there. Yeah.
And suppose I'm choosing 5 from here, then that means I have to choose
No,
the 0 participant from here.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it means I have to do 8C3 into
8.
2C2.
Yeah.
Correct. Because in total I need to select the 5. Okay. Plus I can choose 4.
8C4 into 2C1.
2C1 plus 8C5 into 2C0. I mean, it's 8C5. So just compute the value, you will get that. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And fifth question was about EMQ. So here selection of participants will occur simultaneously, right? We have to just select the participants,
sir.
correct?
Yes.
It's without replacement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Without
And
replacement,
here
sir.
order matters or not?
Order
Not.
does not
Does not matter, sir.
Because
Choosing
we
only
have to
four.
just select the 3 participants. It can be any 3, right? Since we are doing the only selection, we are not arranging the things, and order not matters. That means combination will be used. Okay.
Sir, means why this one is given means it says 0 marks, right? So why this question is?
Ritik, I think Purnendu, right? So we have discussed in the last session. If you read, please read these things carefully. It says if you will make some calculation mistake in the previous
So
one.
will
Okay?
marks be given on that or just to check for collecting of data?
No, it's not for collection of data. If something collecting of data, then it will be mentioned. So that's why I said please read this carefully. What is written here? It says suppose you will make a mistake in the previous question, right? Then we'll consider this question. I mean, here it is it's written as 0 points because suppose someone correct the previous one and he or she also correct the options, then he will get some extra marks.
You
So
will
that is
consider
not
the
okay.
first one. Okay,
So
got it.
if you make something wrong calculation in the previous one, we'll consider this question, and there is some criteria. Actually, I did not check that one. According to that criteria, you will get some marks. You will not get like
total 3 marks, but you may get 1.5 marks.
It's I mean I need to check the criteria for EMQ.
So this has negative marking also, no? Because it is similar to EMQ.
Similar to
EMQ. It is similar to EMQ question type only,
no,
right?
it's not about EMQ. What I'm saying, suppose you made a mistake in this previous question, okay?
Okay.
Then we will consider the steps which you have selected in the next question, okay?
Okay.
Then if your steps are correct, you will get some marks.
Okay.
Okay. That is.
Sir, one doubt, sir, regarding the exam. Are the marking scheme the same like the previous qualifier round, like partial marking and no negative marking?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yes.
one more thing, sir, the solutions for the practice assignments are not there at all.
For
where do we
practice
find it, sir? For all the practice assignments that we are doing for week?
No. If you click on the check answers, you will get the feedback below the every question.
So then and there only. Earlier it used to be in a PDF, no?
Yeah, suppose Okay, let me click. Suppose
If
this is
you
practice
have
session,
done
okay?
the question wrong, then they'll provide you the
Yeah,
solution
yeah,
there only.
I know that, but earlier it used to be in a PDF. Now it
Okay, okay.
is
Now it's below to every question.
below the same question. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
below the same.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay, so let me finish the mock first, because if we will discuss the general things, so I don't think things will be covered.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, when it's written, selection will occur simultaneously and it will not occur simultaneously. I didn't get that.
Okay, Aryan, have you gone through the week 5
Yes,
content
sir.
video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, selection of participants will occur simultaneously means what? Suppose I have 8 participants, okay? So okay, suppose this is the 3 I mean, suppose this is 3 players, or you can say whatever. So I have to select the 3 players out of 8, okay? I can select anyone. So to select the 3 people, selection of participant will occur simultaneously means to select the steps, I mean the event of selection of participants, okay? For 3, I have to do simultaneously. I mean, we have to select the one person, then second person, then third person. So we are doing AND operation, right? One person and second person and third person, correct? So this will happen when this selection of the participant will be one after the other. I mean, will be simultaneously kind of things. Okay. And what is the meaning of non-simultaneous? As I have took the okay. Suppose I have this 5 objects, 5 different objects. Okay. And I'm saying I have 2 places, and which I have to fill by these 5 objects. So at the first place, in how many way I can do 5, and the second place I can do in the 4 way. Suppose I'm saying without replacement. Okay. So to fill to perform this event, so here selection of objects is simultaneously or not, to fill these 2 places.
Simultaneous.
It's a
It is
simultaneous.
simultaneous, sir. We
To
need all the
perform,
options
yeah,
at the same time.
we need all the 2 to perform this event, correct? What is meaning of non-simultaneous? Suppose I have one place, okay, and I'm saying to this place I can fill, or I can put, or I can whatever, I can put only either even numbered object, okay, or odd number object. Okay, so here I can put either even numbered objects or odd number objects. So if you will put even number object, let's say O2, then I can't put odd number objects, right? I mean, this event and this event B will not occur simultaneously. Either this will occur or this will occur. I mean, there is some plus one. Either this will happen or this will. These 2 things will not happen simultaneously. Okay.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So any doubt in the 6th question?
Sir, can you give an example where permutation and combination is happening at the same time?
Permutation and combination is happening same time. See, permutation and okay. Suppose these 8 people are there. Okay, let's say example of 5 participants. Okay. Okay. Then suppose there is 2 positions of, let's say this is positions of captain and this is position of vice captain. Okay. Then I'm saying in how many ways you can arrange, I mean, you can arrange, you can fill these 2 positions. Okay. First, I have to do the selection. There is 2 approach. First approach, okay, in how many ways you can fill the positions of captain?
So 5 ways.
In how many ways you can fill the position of vice captain?
4 ways.
Okay.
4
it's
ways.
a total 20 ways. Okay. I mean, here order matters. A person, suppose P1 is the captain and P2 is the vice captain, and P2 is the captain and P1 is the vice captain. So this arrangement and this arrangement are different.
Yes, sir.
Yes, order does matter.
So here order matters.
Yes, sir.
That means what we have done 5P2, which is permutation. Correct? What is the meaning of combination? Suppose out of these 5 people, I have to just choose 2 people. So I can choose any two people, right? Suppose I have selected P1 and P2, then P2 and P1. So these two are and these two are same, because in a way I have selected P1 and P2. That's all. There is no need to worry about the order, right? So here combination is used. Okay. So what is the okay? And this permutation you can do another way. Like I can choose two people from these five people in how many way? 5C2 way. Now these two people I can
Into
arrange
factorial,
in
sir.
these two places in 2 factorial ways. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
is
sir.
this? This is same as 5P2.
Yes, sir.
So that is something. Okay.
Sir, in this context, I have a question. Like
Yeah.
in activity and practice assignments, we were given some questions like of the total number of students in the class, top 3 to submit the assignment will be awarded. So how many ways they'll get? Like say, suppose there are 20 students, and that students who submit the assignment, first 3 students to submit the assignment will be awarded. Okay, so that was the question. Here the confusion is like whether they are all order matters or not. Because
Okay,
if I
okay,
consider just a second, let me express my concern.
Okay.
If I consider the first submission to be a suppose a gold medal and the second submission to be a silver medal or third submission, like all the 3 awards are different, then order matters.
Correct.
If the awards are not different, like if everybody are going to get the same certificate, then the order doesn't matter.
Okay, that
This
is
kind
another
of
thing.
clarity is not being given.
No.
Yeah, this clarity, whether all the 3 are getting the same award or all the 3 are getting different awards, this clarity is not being provided in the question.
Okay,
They are simply
Rajalakshmi.
saying top 3 will be awarded.
Okay, Rajalakshmi, what is the thing? Suppose I have 20 students. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say example of 5 students. S1, S2, S3, and S4 and S5. Correct? I'm saying the top 3 who will submit the assignment first, they will get awarded, right?
Okay, you are saying there are total 5 students.
Okay, I'm taking the example of 5 students. I will come to the 20. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Any number is fine.
Okay, suppose S1, S2, S3 submitted the assignment first. I mean, they are top 3.
Okay.
Okay. They will be awarded.
Yes.
Suppose S2
No,
submitted first, S1 first. Okay, let me come to this point. Again, these 3 will be awarded.
Yes.
Suppose S3, S1, S2. Again, these 3 will be awarded.
Yes. I understood it. You are trying to say that whatever is the order, they are only that 3 people are going to get awarded.
Correct.
So
Here, it's not about what award they are getting. It's about combination of 3 people. First 3 people. It can be any 3 people out of these 5.
Yes, sir, I understand the question and I'm totally okay with the answer. But there is this confusion, like you got my point, right?
Yeah, I got my. I got your point.
First 3 students to if they say prize, first 3 students to submit the assignment will get prize. We will be in a thought like first prize will be different, second prize will be in a different,
correct.
Third prize will be. If these 3 orders will be different.
Correct.
There is the chance of using 5C3 and 5P3 also.
Thing is that if there is suppose there is order matter. Order matter means suppose in the question it is mentioned like the students who will submitted the assignment first, he will get some gold medal or he will become the class monitor something, and who submit, if positions are mentioned, right? Then
if they don't mention anything, we simply take as 5C3.
Correct. Because here we need to just select the 3 people. It can be any combination of 3 people who submitted the assignment first, they will get awarded. What awarded? We don't know. Award are not mentioned. Okay.
Yes,
sir. Sir, one person initiated like the question in which the permutation and combination both are used. Can you explain that? Sir, can I tell you one question I have asked actually Rohit Khandelwal sir also, but he didn't reply me yet.
Okay, what is that question? Where is?
Sir, it's from the textbook, but I can read the question. 1 minute. It's choosing 3 consonants from 6.
Okay, 3 consonants we have to choose.
1 minute. Out of 6 consonants and
Okay.
4 vowels.
Okay.
So how many words of 1 minute? How many out of 6 consonant, 4 vowels? How many words of 3 consonant and 2 vowels can be formed?
How many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels
Can be formed
Okay.
out of 6 consonants and 4 vowels.
Okay. Okay. So in how many way you can choose the 3 consonant? 6C3.
Yes, sir.
And in how many ways
into 3
I can choose
factorial, sir.
the 4 vowel? Sorry, 2 vowel.
4C2.
4C2.
We have chosen total 5 letters.
So 5 factorial.
So we have to arrange those 5 letters also. In how
5
many ways I
factorial.
can do? 5 factorial.
Yes.
That's all.
Sir, my question is like actually I understand this what is happening here, but my question is in this like why can't we do like directly permutation? If I do permutation, then what else I have to do to make the
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come to.
Yeah.
You have to make the 3 consonant and 2 vowels. Okay.
Yes.
So thing is that okay, you are saying why you can't use the permutation direct. Okay.
Yes.
So thing is that okay. So at this first place, in how many ways you can arrange the constant?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. You are saying 3.
No,
How
I
will
mean
you 3?
6, 5, 6 consonants, 6 into 5 into 4.
6 into 5 into
4.
4. And what
Yes.
about these two?
Here I have to put vowels.
Vowels?
So 4 into 3.
4 into 3.
3.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
one way.
Yeah.
Battery.
But there is no restriction that only the first 3 letters will be consonants.
Yeah,
Constant,
that's
correct?
yeah, I understand,
So
but that's what
you
I'm
will-
asking.
Yeah,
What else
this
we
whole
can
thing
do?
this whole thing into 6 into 5C3, which are the places for consonants.
See,
Sorry.
we have total 5 places. Okay. So it will be, I mean, it will be there like any 3 places can take the 3 consonants, right?
Yeah.
Either you have to choose the places first, correct?
Yeah.
And then what you can do?
Yeah, yeah.
Are
Then
you
they
getting
say for
what
the right
I'm
side.
trying to say?
I understand you are choosing first consonants and vowels, and then you are arranging it.
Okay, so what
I understand this.
Okay, let's solve this. Okay, you will get idea. It's a 6 factorial, 3 factorial. It's a 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 5 factorial. So far it is clear.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and what's we have done here? What's the meaning of this? I can do 6 factorial.
Sir,
okay.
if in the uppercase, the answer will be 14400, and in the lower case, the answer will be 1440.
No, after doing 5C3, you will get 14400.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that.
Okay, 5C3. So, sir, can you explain me why we are doing 5C3?
Okay, okay. See, in total, you had 6 consonants and 4 vowels, correct?
Yeah.
You have to make the word by 3 consonants and 2 vowels.
Yeah.
Correct. That means that word will be 5-letter word.
Yeah.
So far it is clear. Okay.
Yes.
One more thing I can do. I have 5. I have to make the 5-letter word. Okay. So here it can be. I mean, consonant can take any 3 places. Okay. It can take this, or this, or this, or this, and this, and this. I mean, it can take any 3 places, right?
Okay.
And so that's why first approach is I can choose let's first select the 3 vowels. Okay.
Yes.
Are you getting? Suppose.
So this method I know, which you are telling me, first choose the vowels and then arrange it. This concept I understand it really well. Okay. I'm asking to another one.
Okay, okay. Let me come to you. So it will be 4 factorial, 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay. Okay. This is the way. Yeah. Second is, suppose I have 5 places. Correct? So consonant can take
any of the 3. Please.
You can see, if you are doing 6, 5, 4, 4 into 3, that means you are fixing the consonant at the first 3 places and fixing the vowels at the last 2.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So first I have to choose, I can choose any of the 3 places. That means which I can choose in 5C3.
Okay.
And at those 3 places, what you can do? You can arrange your consonant in 6P3 way.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Okay.
So this one is so confusing. First
This one is the
correct.
confusing. Yeah, this one is the confusing. What I'm saying.
First one is better.
Yeah, first one is easy, but actually I approached the second
Okay,
one
okay,
first. That's why I wanted to understand.
one thing you'll tell me. You have 5 places. Okay.
Yeah.
So how will you know? I mean, for the constant, how will you choose the 3 places for the constant? How will you fix the 3 places for the constant?
Sir, it will be many, like
It
either
will be,
first
it can,
3.
that's why I'm saying it can be this, this. Okay. It can be
Yeah.
this, and this. It can be this, and this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's consider this one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It can be this, and this. This,
it will be
this,
choosing
and this.
3. It will be choosing 3 from 5, right?
अभी तो लाइव क्लास कर रहे हैं, कैसे होगा?
Okay, sir. Fine.
लाइव
It's
क्लास शुरू
okay.
हो गया, कल चला
Maybe.
जाएगा.
1 second. Yeah. So similarly, we can do like this will be this 3, this 3. It can be, there will be a lot of cases, right? That means I have to choose the 3 places. In how many ways I can choose that 3 places, and at those 3 places, in how many ways I can arrange? Are you getting or not? I mean, hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it's
sir.
I mean, for such questions, we should choose the consonants first, because the other process is
Yeah,
it's not kind of, it's very tedious.
Simple things. Just choose the.
Yeah, better to choose first and then arrange.
Yeah, then arrange. It's a
yeah.
There is a simple things, right? I choose
Yeah.
the 3 consonant. I choose the 2 consonant. I arrange all the 5. That's all.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. I mean, you can do these things also, but you have to think
It's
about
very
the
lengthy.
Cases as well. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have
So,
another
so 6 questions समझा दो.
So I cannot hear anything.
Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, I have
Yes,
another question.
Yeah, anyone-
Permutation combination. Shall we
Sorry?
take it after the mock quiz? I have
Yeah.
another question regarding
Yes, sir, I
First,
agree.
yeah, that's why I said let me
I
finish the
also
mock
have
first.
doubts.
Yeah.
We'll discuss the doubts.
So please make us understand 6th question too.
Okay. So what the question number 6 is saying, how many words can be formed between 999 to 999 to 10,000 with digits 0 to 9 with repetition? Means I can repeat the words, right? Such that at least one of their digits as 5. Okay. I have to make the numbers. Okay. See, I have to form the numbers between 999 to 10,000. So it's between, that means
Sir,
I can
it's
make up
0
to
to 10,000 maybe.
0. No, it's not 0.
Okay.
See,
So
that means
it's 999 to
I can
10,000.
make the numbers 1,000
4-digit number.
this one. Okay. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
We have to form the number between these two. Okay, between these two, I mean after this and before this. So after this we have to make the 4-digit number. It's a 4-digit, which is 1,000, and it's a 9,999. We have to use the 4-digit, I mean digits 0 to 9 with repetition. So I can repeat the digits. Now question is saying about such that at having at least one of their digits at 5, I mean is 5. That means when I am going to make the 4-digit number, this 4-digit number must have at least 1 5. Okay, that means it can possible all the 5. It can be possible 2 5 3 5. Okay.
So 1 second. So can we do it like this? Like first we'll calculate the total number of ways for preparing the numbers, and then we should subtract the cases of the numbers who have
not 5
in them. Yeah.
So
like who doesn't have 5?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
who
the
doesn't
good
have 5
approach.
in them.
That's the good approach, because once you are going to make lives, once you will consider, yeah, at least 1 5, right? Then you
So
have to
we
consider,
have
yeah, then you have to consider the cases when at least 2. When
so
then you have to
can
consider
can
3.
it be done?
So at
So
least
can
2
it
means like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry.
So
See,
we can use like
So-
we have 9 digits with us, like 10 digit with us. So for first digit we can use 8 digit because 5 is not there, and for second also we can use 9 digits. So 8 into 9 into 9 into 9, and that then we will subtract it from the total ways.
okay, yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So what
Okay,
I'm
okay,
saying,
sir. Thank you.
So I did the same way actually.
yeah, what I'm saying, see, if you will consider the 1 5, then 2 5, then 3 5, then 4 5, I mean, there will be a lot of cases. Okay, so simple approach, it is asking about at least 1 5. Okay, so at least 1 5, that means I can say total minus the numbers who have no 5.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Correct.
done.
So in
Yeah.
how many way you can find the 4-digit number with repetition?
We can find it by like 9 into 10 into
So
10 into 10.
And 9 into 10
I
into 10 into 10.
correct. We have
Yeah.
total 10 digits.
And
Okay.
then
So at the
which
first place, I
yeah.
can't use the 0.
0, yeah.
So that means
That's
I
why
have
we
9
use 9.
numbers.
Yeah.
At the second place, since
10,
I can
we
repeat
can
the
use
words.
0.
Okay, I can
We
repeat the
can
words.
use 0.
That means again we have all the total 10 digits. Okay. Then third place are the 10 digits. Then for the
10,
last place, we
yeah.
have again 10 digits. Okay.
Yeah.
Minus. When no 5, I mean 5 is removed from the 0 to
So
9.
first will
That
be
means,
no 5 and no 0. So we have 8 letters with us.
So it would be
8
let
digits
me
with us.
let me finish first.
8.
Yeah. So 5 is not there. That means I have total 9 digits. Okay. 0 to 9, we have total 10 digits, but I'm going to consider the case when 5 is not there. That means we have to consider total 9 digits. So at the first place, I can't use the 0. I can't use the 5. That means I have 8.
8 digits, yeah.
And for the second place,
Then
as
9,
I
sir.
can't use the 5, but
9.
I have remaining 9 numbers. Then for the
9, all
9,
9
okay,
we
for
can
9.
use.
So just
Yeah.
compute the value and subtract the
Oh.
value. You will get the answer. Is this
So,
clear for everyone?
Sir,
yeah,
I have a
it is
question here.
clear, but
Yes, sir.
in practice assignment 2, there was a question like we have to make a number in which we have one digit is 5.
Okay, I mean, I don't exactly remember all the questions. Let me finish the mock first. After that, I will come to the
Sir, I
rest
have
of
a
your doubts.
question
Okay?
here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I was able to solve this using this logic,
Mhm.
but why can't we do it directly? Means directly we can. Why to subtract? First, we are taking the universal set, and then we are calculating what
Okay,
are
okay.
not in
How will you
5.
approach? How will you approach in that case?
So means what I did, I created 5 lines, and then first digit can't be this what we call 0. It can't be
Okay.
0, and one digit is already fixed as 5. But 5 can happen in 5 factorial ways, right?
5 factorial?
5 is one digit should be 5. Okay, so I think it's different question.
It's not different question. You have to make the 4-digit number. Okay.
Okay, 4-digit number we have to make.
So at the first place, you can't use 0.
Yes, I can't use 0. That I know.
So thing is that you can do the another approach. What is that? You can consider the when there is only 1 5. And
There is one
plus
5. This
you can consider when there are 2 5, plus you can
okay.
consider where there are 3 5, and plus you can consider where there are all
But
are
it
5.
says one digit should be 5, right?
So not one digit,
At
it should be
least
at
one.
least one.
At
So it
least.
can be 1 digit 5,
At
2 digit
least
7,
1.
3 digit, but 4 digit can't be 5 because
4 digit.
no, it can be 5. Okay,
It can be 5.
because yeah, because last maximum is 99. So you have
Yes.
to consider this case plus this case plus this case plus this case. So either you will go in this approach or in this approach, both are the same. You will get the same answer. Okay. It's not hard and fast rule, but yeah, it's a easy way, right? If you have something,
Yeah, I got it that we are just removing the
yeah, just
complicated.
removing the things which we don't have, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in most
So I
of the
got it.
cases, we do this only.
Yeah, this is suppose here is four-digit number. Okay, at least so you can consider. Suppose you have to make the 6-digit number. Okay, then you have to consider all the case 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 times 5, then 6 times 5. Then I mean I'm just going to give a hypothetical example, but think what I'm trying to explain. In such type of situations, you have to add all the things. You have to consider all the cases. Suppose by mistake you forgot a case. You forgot about this case. You consider this case and then this case. You will get wrong answer.
Okay, sir, got it.
I mean, both are the correct approach. No issues with that. If you are familiar with this, you can go with this. If you are familiar with this, you can go with this. That's
okay. Sir.
Okay. Okay. So what about the seventh option? Selection of digits will occur simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
Set simultaneous.
And with
Simultaneous.
replacement or without replacement?
With
With
replacement.
With
Mentioned in the
replacement, sir.
question. Order matters or not?
Order matter.
Order matters.
Order doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Automatically permutation will be used.
So order matter means, suppose I have made the number 5342, so it is different from 5032.
5432.
Okay, something. Okay, so it's a different. So order matter. If order matter, that's permutation is used.
Permutation is already given.
Okay, what about question number 8? Is this okay for everyone or any doubt?
No issue from my side.
Okay, anybody else? So that
sir.
Yes.
So if the language says from this number to that number, then we include the numbers on the edge. But if it says between, then we don't include it.
Sorry?
So in the previous question, it says between this number and that number. So we are not including the numbers. But if the language was from this to that.
Yeah, it's saying between this to this. If it's saying from 999 to this, then we have to include. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Between numbers we have to find.
So it is asking about between. So, okay, any one of you have any doubt related to this question number 8?
Hello.
Or is what okay for everyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, sir, I have a doubt with the related to simultaneously
what
occurs
event will
type
be
of
created?
events, sir.
Okay.
Just sir. Simultaneously occurs type event.
Yeah, see one by one, please.
So, eighth question. So, this 8th question, mock 1. So, can you please explain the question?
Okay, I will complete. Okay, someone was saying something like this. Satyendra Kumar, yeah, yes, please. What
Yes,
you
sir.
are saying?
Actually, I have a doubt with related to simultaneously occurs type event.
Okay.
What is that one?
I think you joined late. This is.
No, sir. I have joined after I think 10 minutes. But
Okay.
Earlier you have explained, but actually
Okay, yeah,
I didn't get it.
Okay, I will come to this. Thing is that for more clarification, you can rewatch the lecture video of week 5 and week 6. Yeah, but I'm going to explain here. See, we have to form the numbers with the help of 0 to 9 of 4 digits, correct? So,
yes,
what's the meaning of occurring it simultaneously? So, to form this 4-digit number, we have to do the things simultaneously. I mean, we have to do the things at a time. At a time means we have to select the numbers for this place, and we have to select the number for this place, and we have to select the number for this place and
okay,
this
sir,
place.
I got it.
Okay?
Means it's related to and or odd.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Then I actually I will get. Okay. I get it.
Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks.
So in the 8th question, who has doubt?
Sir, in 8th question, I want to tell one thing.
Okay.
In this, actually, I attempted it wrong. But I understood how I've gone through the solution, so I understood how it is to be done.
Okay.
My doubt is the question says find the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from 5 distinct alphabets, taking 2 or more alphabets at a time.
Okay.
So what I did, I selected 5 alphabets out of 26.
Oh, got it.
And then I got a very big answer. So that was wrong.
Okay. No. Thing is that
the wording in this question, if the question
okay.
5 given alphabet, if it will be written 5 given alphabet.
So
there is some language has something.
No. It's something clear, but the thing is that it should be more clear. But if you will focus, it's written that you have to form the number from 5 distinct alphabets. Suppose I'm saying
5 distinct, sir. It can be anything out of 26.
5. Okay. Yeah, got it. I think that should be okay.
Out
we'll
of 26,
we'll correct
5
it.
distinct letters can be there.
Yeah, but the meaning of
Should
this
be
here,
5
you
given
have to form
alphabets.
the number from 5 distinct alphabets. Suppose it's A1, A2, I
Yes,
mean
sir.
A, B, C, D.
Even I understood it as like that, sir. 5 distinct means 26C5 I did, and it was so big.
So
Okay,
that's
okay.
why I got a very large answer. So that
Okay,
was
okay.
wrong.
Okay, with the, yeah, we'll correct it, but with the 5 distinct, you got the concept?
Is
Yes, sir.
actually the correct wording should be 5 distinct given alphabets.
Yeah, yeah. I think we can mention the letters also. That will be okay. Okay,
Yeah,
that will
mention
be
the
correct.
letters that it
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be.
we'll correct. No issues. Thanks for this. Okay, so you got the concept. Suppose I have to make the 5 words with this help of these 5 distinct alphabets, taking 2 or more alphabets at a time. So is what okay for everyone, or any doubt in this?
We have to just omit the event of one, and then we have to go for the rest.
So suppose I have 5 distinct alphabet. Okay, so I have to make the word that can be, I mean, by using the 2 or more alphabets at a time. So I can use 2 alphabets, 3 alphabets, 4 alphabets, and 5 alphabets. I can use.
Yes,
In how
sir.
many ways you can choose the 2 alphabets? 5C2.
5C2.
And I have to arrange
Yeah,
those
into
words.
2 factorial.
Okay.
So first,
I can
Sir, we
choose
can
the
even do 5P2.
yeah, yeah. 5C,
5C4 into
Sir,
4
in this,
some background noise.
5C5.
Please
sir,
mute.
in this, can we do 5P2?
Yeah, both are the correct one. Okay.
Yeah, so this is same, right? Because I also did P2, well, I mean 5P2 directly.
NCR
Okay.
into R
See,
factorial is equal
you
to
know this thing, NCR into R factorial is same as NPR.
Yes, but in
Yes,
this
it's
case,
same only.
yes,
Okay.
sir. But in this case, order matters or order doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
so that's why see, I have selected 2 words, then I arrange. Order matter. I selected 3, then I arrange.
Okay,
I selected 4, then I arrange. I selected. If I had just done like 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4, then order not matter, because I'm doing just selection. Okay.
Okay.
But after selecting,
I'm
I'm
forming
going to
the word.
yeah.
So, can we do it like this? 5P2 plus 5P3
That's why,
plus
yeah,
5.
that's what I'm saying. It's the same as the 5P2 plus 5P3. What? That's why I've written
Okay.
NCR into R factorial
R
is same as
factorial
NPR. Okay.
NPR.
Okay, so it was clear for everyone.
Yes.
So now, please tell me steps.
So simultaneously.
Selection is simultaneous, okay? Because to forming the word, we have to
Simultaneous.
Simultaneous.
Yes,
and
sir.
order matters or not?
Without replacement. Order matter.
Order matters, sir.
Okay, order matters because we are doing the, and since
And
in the question
permutation is used.
it's repetition of alphabets is not allowed, means without
So
repetition.
repetition will not be there.
Since order
So without
matters,
repetition,
that
sir.
permutation. Okay. In the 10th question, anyone has any doubt, or is what okay for everyone?
It was okay for
Think
me.
even if it's mentioned that repetition is allowed,
Sir, I
it
just
doesn't
have
mean that it has to.
See, one small request to all of you. Please speak one by one, because it's something will get disturbance and things will not be clear to all of you. Okay, so just go one by one, and let's finish the mock first. Okay, after that we'll discuss the rest of it. If you
Yes,
doubt
what
related in that, related to the questions or related to the topic which we are discussing. Okay, so in this question, any one of you has any doubt, or is what okay for everyone?
Sir, I just have a small question regarding to this question, because I attempted this question. I got it right, but
Okay.
I just want to know what I did is right or not. Because see, sir, sometimes the percentages are in decimals, like 22.5 and something. So what I did is like basically I calculated out of 200. I mean, I basically do that. So can I do it for every case?
200
for
by
question
200.
This. I mean, sir, there are balls over there. So, sir, 45% and the percentage is there. So I actually calculated, like I assumed that there are 200 balls, and then I calculate that. Like that
You
is the
can
safe
assume
option
100
since we
also.
don't have.
100 also you can assume.
Yes, sir, but the thing, yes, sir, the thing is like whenever we have decimal percentages, like let's say we have 22.5% of balls, we just cannot assume like 100 balls are there because there won't be 22.5
Yeah, so
balls
in
actually.
that scenario,
That's why I'm asking, like, can I just apply 200 for every case?
200. I mean, I can't say surely, but
It
you can take.
cannot happen.
I mean, thing is that you can know what you are saying about 100, because 100 is okay. It's suppose 45%. I can say 45 ball are
Yes, sir.
blue out of 100.
Yeah, it's
That means,
it's point.
but
Yeah, it's 0.45,
yeah,
sir. It's fine.
when you are saying 200, then you have to double the things. That means 90 ball are blue out of 200.
Yes, sir. I mean, sir, I mean, whenever we are calculating probability, we are actually calculating out of 200. So
voice
it is
is-
actually getting.
I mean, your voice was breaking actually.
Sir, I solved it
okay.
with
So, sir,
contingency
what
table.
I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say is like,
Your voice
like
is
even,
breaking.
yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking. Can you rejoin? Just rejoin for a minute.
Sir, I solved it with contingency table. Is the
And me
approach
too.
right?
I
Yeah,
also use
that's
contingency
also
table.
correct. Okay, you can make a red, blue, metallic, and plastic.
Yes, that way only I did.
Okay, that's also correct approach. Either
I didn't
or
use
you
probability
can
at all.
define the events and you can find out the
Yes.
correct.
Second one I found little bit means this event generation thing. I find it little bit hard. Most
No,
of the
it's
times.
not hard. Just be focused in the statement what has been asked in the question, and
Okay.
make them as an event, and then you can relate the.
For example, if we say selecting 2 cards from a deck of 52 cards, then at least 2 cards, then we can say that.
I mean, then we have to read the question actually. What the things are given and what the.
Then it will be even will be
Sir,
at least 2, and then we
Sir,
can
how
move
to do
forward.
with contingency table, sir? This one.
in this,
No, it's a
Create
simple things,
contingency
right?
table, row and column
You can
frequency
make
constant.
right like red and blue, black, red
Blue.
and black, plastic and something metallic. Okay, and
Metallic.
things
But
which
something you have to find.
yeah
First, you have to find all the values.
then you have to suppose this is given to you, this is given to you, this you have to find, so you can find out either
Even total is given. Total is also given,
no,
right?
but given balls are 60% of red balls, so it
See.
was a given probability.
See here, blue
Red
balls
metallic.
is given, red are given. Okay, so here red are given as 55%. Okay, so this is 55%. This is 45%. So similarly, metallic, plastic. So you can make the things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to calculate that way.
Yeah. It
All
might
the values.
suppose this is given to you. This is given to you, and you have to find this one. This
But
is
in
given
this,
to you.
but in this question, the calculations were not much actually. It was just
Yeah,
straight.
calculation is too much easy.
Yeah.
Calculation is not that.
Sir, one thing we can use like for conditional probability questions, we can use T diagram. No, that would be much easier. Means
see, thing is that it's depends on the individual. I mean, some people are okay with the tree diagram. Some people are okay with the Venn diagram. Some people are okay with the contingency table.
So
Some
no,
people are
conditional
okay with the.
probability.
have everything in
T
front.
diagram.
Sir, can you please explain conditional probability concept with Venn diagram?
Yeah, I will come to this point. What I said, just let me
Law
finish
of total
this.
probability. Yeah.
Okay, so in this
Conditional
question, anyone
probability.
of you have
I'm
doubt? Should I
confused.
solve, or it was clear for everyone?
Sir, if you can solve, it will be better.
Sir, can you solve it using the probability, not with the contingency table?
Yes, sir. It will
By
be
creating
better
that
if you
events.
solve,
Okay,
sir.
Sayan has joined. Sayan has doubt. Sayan, are you
Yeah,
there?
you can just.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I was just asking if I can use 200 balls logic. So that's the thing.
Actually, about the 200 balls, but I mean, I'm worrying about how we can take the directly 200. Are you getting? If I'm taking the 200, then we have to multiply by 2 in the numerator.
Yes, sir.
Are you? Suppose I have 45%
Yes.
black
I'm
balls.
getting.
That means 45 ball out of 100 are black. That means 90 balls are black out of 200. Okay.
Just wanted to know why we are taking 200. Means what was the logic that you used, Sayan?
Yeah, it's a simple things. What the things are given, just
See,
go.
no. The thing is actually no, sir. No, sir. Like whenever some percentage are there, so always take like some, yeah, sir. For that kind of value, like if there are balls or like persons, we just cannot say 100 people and out of that like that. So I
But
mean,
yeah, we can't
like
say.
without
But
probability logic and applying at the end. So yeah.
but we can. How
So
can
you
we say
wanted an
it's a
integer value.
1 second? How we can say then it's out of 200? Then we have to
Nah, so it's like calculating like art, like something logical or like since we have percentages, so we can just assume and
I think, sir,
that's what I thought.
See,
percentage means out of 100. So
okay, see,
I
20.
don't think so. So
1 second. What we can
200.
what it's a support 22.5%. Okay, that means I can say 45%, but it's something should be 200, not about 100. We see 22.5
that is the
divided by
thing I was
100
trying to
is
say.
same as 45 divided by 200. Okay, that is the something.
So he's trying to say that if
But
22.5 is given, then if we take 200 as the number, then we won't get 22.5%. We'll get 45%.
45%. Then accordingly, you have to change all the values.
Yeah, so the number will be a whole number. He's trying to say that.
I got the point. Now, San, is it okay for now?
Yes. I totally got it.
Okay, so in this question you heard that, right? So question is saying 45% of the balls are blue while 55% are red. Okay, so I can make the event of, let's say, B. I can make event just B for blue balls, okay, R for red balls, correct? So just write the things what's given in the question. And among all the balls in the bin, 40% are metallic and remaining ones are of plastic. So I can make the event M. I'm taking for metallic, okay, P for plastic. So far it is clear. Now, a ball is randomly chosen from the bin. What is the probability that ball is blue and metallic? If out of all the metallic balls, 60% of balls are red. See, what is the what's the things we have to find? Probability that ball is blue and metallic, correct? So we need to find B is given to us, metallic is given to. We need to find probability of ball and ball is blue and metallic. That means I need to find probability of blue balls and metallic. So far it is clear.
Yeah.
Now, what the things are given in, see, to find these things, what the probability for blue balls? It's 45%, correct?
Yes, 45%.
And what's the probability for red? 55%.
55.
What's the probability for being metallic?
40%.
40%. What's for plastic?
60%.
It's a 60, correct? Either it will be metallic or plastic. And one more thing is given to us. Out
Red
of
metallic.
all the metallic balls, that means metallic is given to us, right? Of all the metallic is given to, suppose this is a metallic, this is something, okay. So metallic is given to us. Of all the metallic balls, 60% of the red. That means probability that red is 60%. So far it is clear?
Yes, sir.
We need to find, so what will the probability of all the metallic ball are blue?
B intersection
40%.
B
40%.
If all the metallic ball, 60% of the balls are red, then 40% of the balls will be blue.
Blue, yeah.
Correct? Okay. This is the intersection. So by the multiplication rule, I can write the probability of M into probability of B given M or not?
Yes, sir.
What's the probability of being metallic? 40%.
40% into 40%.
Again 40%, it will be 0.6. That's all. Okay. What about question number 11 and 12? Question number 11 is based on the law of total probability, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was
Yes, sir.
okay for everyone?
And the second one is Bayes theorem.
Yes.
Bayes theorem.
Because
Yes, sir.
what's given to you, X, Y, Z have participated in the okay. Should I solve or is what okay?
Sir,
for
that
everyone?
one
Sir,
also we
okay,
can do
see,
with
see.
contingency, na?
Sir, can you please show me the slide of the previous question? Like you have solved that.
This one?
Yeah. So it's okay.
Okay. Okay. So you can make the things like in the question X and Y, there are 3 colleges, X, Y, and Z, right? Suppose this is X college, Y college, Z college. Okay. And it is saying where 30% of the participants are from college X, 20 from college Y, 50 from college Z. Okay. 30, 20, and 50. So see, since this is the subparts of the sample space, so total should be 1, right? That means it's a 30%, correct? 20% students from the Y and 50% of the Z, right? 30, 20, yeah. If 50, 40, 60 of the participants from college X, Y, and Z respectively are girls. Suppose there is an event of being girls, correct? This is the for girls. Okay. It is saying 50, 40, and 60. So 50% from X, 40 from Y, and 60 from Z. It is clear for everyone? It is asking about what is the probability that random selected part is a girl. Okay. So what is the probability of being a girl?
0.3, sir, from X college.
Okay.
No, 0.5 from college X.
So it can, I mean, that
So
candidate
it
can
should
be that is a
given,
girl
right?
and it is from college X,
College.
College X.
correct? Or I can write.
Oh, you're calculating the all total together. Okay, okay.
Okay.
From Y and from
Yes.
Z.
And from Z.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the probability that girls from college X? So I can write college X into girls from college X.
G given X.
Exactly.
So what is the probability of that college X is 30%, correct?
It has given 50%.
30% into probability that girls from college X. So this is this black region is college X. What is the probability for girls in that college? This
50%.
50%. This is the 50%. It should be 50%. Similarly for
PG,
Y,
PG
it will be probability of Y into probability of G given Y plus probability of Z into probability of G given Z. So probability of Y is what? 20%. What's the probability of from college Y, that is the girl, is this region, which is 40%.
40%.
Plus 50% of the being I mean for the college Z, and this orange region for the girls, so which is 60%. Just compute the value. Is it clear from the Venn diagram of?
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
I did it with contingency table again.
Okay.
We can do that, right?
You got the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
That's okay.
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay.
Sir, but how to identify that this is a conditional probability?
Law of total probability it is.
It's a law of total probability.
So, but in law of total probability, conditional probability is being used.
Yeah, so it's a simple thing. See, be careful with the statements. Okay, what is statement saying? 50% of the participants from college X are girls. So it said that college X is given to you, and this is saying probability that 50% of the participants from college X are girls. So probability of being girls from the college X is 50%. That's all. It's a college X from 50% or okay, it's a 50, 40, and 60. Yeah, it is okay. Simply I can draw a Venn diagram. Okay, I have 3 colleges, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and there is even participants are girls, correct? So that participants can be from college X, from college Y, college Z. Are you getting or not?
So this
Hello?
conditional probability thing is very confusing.
Okay, so it's a simple thing. Okay, let me. You are talking about law of total probability, right?
So otherwise, if they draw a tree diagram also, like assume all the people are 100 in number, and out of that 30 are from
Yeah, see, it's a
yeah,
depends
from
on, yeah,
college.
what I'm saying,
That
it depends.
approach will be easier, like who are feeling tough in this condition.
Yeah, it depends on the individual how you have done your practice. Thing is that, see, some people, for me, I'm familiar with making the events and with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, because it makes me to clear the things. I mean, it's for myself.
Sir,
So
for
every
me
individual,
also.
for
Venn
every
diagram
individual,
easy.
because in the questions, just you have to be clear with the statement, clear with the given statements. That's all. Okay, just write down what the things are given to you. See, I can make the events. There are 3 colleges. Okay, so I can make the event X for college X, Y for college Y, Z for college Z. Okay, I can make the events. Now, what in the question are given to us? And next is given to 50% of the participants from college X are girls. So probability for girls from college X.
When X?
50%. Next.
We already have the information that
40% of the participants from Y are girls. So 40%. Okay. From college Y. It's given to us from college Y. Probability for girls is 40%. Similarly, from college Z, probability that the participants are girls 60%. That's all. Okay, see, this X, Y, and Z events are already given to you in the question. Probability of X, probability of Y, probability of Z, right? Then you have to find the another event. Correct? So from this Venn diagram, suppose this is X, this is Y, this is Z. Okay, and suppose this is the event of being a girl. Okay, suppose this is the event. So what is the probability of being a girl? How we can find the probability of a girl? Since this is in all these 3, so I can say this green region, union of green region, and this blue region and this red region will be probability for being a girl or not?
That is either from X or from Y or from Z.
Z, correct.
Okay.
That means I can say, okay, let me come to you. Suppose, 1 second, let me erase the things for me. Mock has, okay, so I can say for being a girls, I can say girls, and she is from college X, union girls from college, and Y, union girls college Z, correct? So probability of G, since these are disjoint events, so probability of G intersection X plus probability of G intersection Y plus probability of G intersection Z. Now come to this point. What's the given to us? College X is given to us. In the college X, what is the probability for this green region? In this black region is given to me. In this black region, what is the probability for green region? So I can find that whole black is given to me. This whole black, correct? That means probability of X into what is the probability for this green region when X is given? Correct. Similarly for this things. So here Y is given to us, correct? This whole Y. I can write probability of Y into probability of G given Y plus probability of Z into probability of G. Now is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice. So next question is, if a girls is randomly selected, what is the probability that she is from college X? So what is given to us? Girls is randomly selected. What is the probability she is from college X? So girls is randomly selected. It's given to me. Girls is randomly selected. What is the probability that she is from college X? So it's nothing but G intersection X divided by probability of G. So probability of G we have calculated, and probability of G intersection is X is same as this one. So this is something. Yes. Okay. Is what okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
in
sir.
these questions, what
Yes, sir.
we have to find is to put in the numerator.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am getting confused what to put in the numerator and what to put in the denominator. So what to find? We have to put that value in the numerator, right?
Which value you are talking about?
I am talking about this one.
This value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the conditional probability formula? Don't
Sir,
memorize like yeah, you have to put in the denominator, put in the numerator. No. What is the formula probability of A given B? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B?
Probability of B.
Yes, sir.
So instead of A, we have X. Instead of B, we have G.
Yes, sir.
So G automatically will go in the denominator.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's all. And you can, it's not like, see, this is a simple total probability, probability formula. Okay. Suppose I have event A, I have event B. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm saying what is the probability of A given B. So I'm saying B has already occurred. I'm saying B has been occurred. So suppose B has been occurred, that means this green region has been occurred.
Yes, sir.
So my new sample space will be this one. So now I have to consider this green region as a total. So what is the probability for this green region? What is the total probability of B? Okay, forget about this. I'm saying it is saying event B has been occurred. That means this green region has been occurred. So what is the probability of A? So what is the probability of A? This red region.
Intersection B. Yes,
this
sir,
red
this
region. Correct?
Exactly.
It is saying B has been occurred. So green region has been occurred. So in this green region, what's the probability for? What's the chance for
This
occurring
red
A?
region.
This red region.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this red region? This red region is nothing but A intersection B.
Yes, sir.
What is the total probability of B? That is something favorable about total. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about question number 13? It's again, I think, Bayes theorem. If I'm
The
not wrong.
Bayes theorem, sir.
Okay, so you can
Bayes
go
theorem,
through
so Bayes theorem.
the solution PDF.
So in quiz 2 exam, most of the questions will be from probab.
Janvi, as I said, it will be from week 5 to week 8 maximum. Okay. And remaining will be from week 1 to week 4. Okay.
So how many will be from week 1 to 4?
You can expect approximately 80% from week 5 to week 8, and around 20 to 25 you can say from
Okay, sir.
1 to 4. Okay.
But
So
sir,
what
if
about
someone has not covered week 8 properly, so will
I
it
mean,
will
it's individually. So I mean, since you have 2 days, so you can cover. It's not about the big task. And if you have doubts, so you can rewatch the lecture video,
there
revision
only
session
1
of
day is
Usam ma'am,
left.
right? And one more thing for more clarification, as I have explained in the beginning of the session, just go in the live sessions section. Okay, here we have uploaded the revision session, tagged revision session. Means suppose you will go in this and you have timed the session, right? So suppose you are getting confusion in cross sectional versus time series data, just go on the YouTube link. You will directly go to this point. So similarly, we have covered. We have tagged the right for week 7 and week 8. Suppose you are getting confusion multiplication rule, Venn diagram, just
in
click on the YouTube.
multiplication rule, basically, I am having.
So I mean, all the things has been covered there. Okay, so let me cover first mock first here, because that was the target for today's session. Okay, so what about question number 14? Any doubt in this? It's a simple probability, if I'm not wrong.
It was a straightforward question.
Yeah, it's straightforward,
Yes,
right?
sir, it's easy.
What is the total? Total is 1000 meter square. And what is the favorable cases? It's a
the pi r
10
square,
meter, right?
pi into 10
meters.
square, actually.
So you can find the area. Area is pi r square. So pi 10 square, it will be 100 times pi. So just put the value of pi and divide by 1000. Okay, it's a simple thing. Okay. In
Yes,
this
sir, it
15
was.
question, actually thing is that there is typo error. Actually, this B union C should be 0.6 and A union B union C should be 0.7.
Yes, there will be the interchange.
Yeah, so it will be, I mean, there is typo error. Sorry about that. But you have to just replace, because A union B union C can't be less than B union C. And what
Sir,
is
how to solve this? Means basically A intersection B union C is there. So B union C first we have to calculate, right? Which is already given, and then pair P of A intersection.
Okay, one second. What the things are given to us?
P of A is given.
P of A is given, sir.
0.2. Probability of B union C is given to us. I'm going to take 0.6. I'm going to take correct one. Okay.
Okay.
A union B union C is given to us 0.7.
0.7.
And probability of A intersection B union C, right?
Yes.
So
yes,
B union C I can
already given.
I'm okay.
Yeah, we can assume it.
I can assume as a D.
Okay.
So I need to find the probability of A intersection D. Correct?
Yes.
What is
so
this?
it will be
Probability of
P
A
of
union
D.
D.
P of yes.
This is probability of D. Correct? So you know total. Addition theorem. Probability of A union D will be probability
is equal
of
to probability
A
of A plus probability of B minus
intersection.
So probability of A union D is given to us 0.7 equal to 0.2 plus 0.6 minus
That's
probability
why
of
I
A
got
intersection.
it wrong.
Okay, it's a simple. Okay.
I went for like means I just substituted the values. A intersection B union C already we have calculated. No? So 0.6 I didn't consider it as D, and that's why I got the value wrong.
No, if you consider as D, then you will get the code. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What about 16 question? It was any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I was not able to approach this question.
Okay, so
yes, sir. Please solve this one.
Okay, you will tell me. In the statistics paper of a qualifier exam, there are 5 multiple choice questions. Okay, in which each has 4 possible answers. So question is, find the probability that a student will not get all the answers correct. Okay. So probability that students not get all correct. Okay. So can I say 1 minus
all the correct.
All correct. Okay, forget about that. Oh yeah, we can do that one also. But see, in the paper, 5 questions are there. Each has 4 options. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So for the first options, in how many way he can answer the first question?
4 ways, sir.
4 ways. Either he can choose the first option, second
Yeah, 4
option,
ways.
third option, and fourth. So for the first question, he has 4 ways.
Yes, sir.
For the second question,
Yes,
again he has 4 ways.
Second also 4 ways. Yes.
Correct.
Third 4
For the
ways.
fourth question,
4
it's a
raised to
4 ways.
5.
4 to the power 5 base total.
How is what is the total number of in which he can answer
4
the
to the
question
power
paper?
5.
Which is I think 2 raised to power 10, 1024.
1024. Yes,
Correct.
yes.
So question is about students will not get all the answers correct.
At least one should be wrong.
At least one should be wrong. Yeah.
Any one of the questions should be, the answer should be
so
wrong.
there are
answer should be wrong.
There are 124. This is the total number of ways in which you can answer the question. Okay. So you can tell me in how many way all the questions will get correct? Sorry, wrong.
Only one way, sir.
Only one way.
Sir, three ways.
Sir,
In one
no, sir.
question,
We have to
3
calculate
ways.
all the cases, sir.
All the
You have
cases,
to
yes.
calculate all the cases.
I mean, sir, for 5 questions, he can get wrong 1, or he can get 2 wrong, or
Okay.
he can get 3 wrong, or he can get
One
4 wrong.
simple
So we
thing
have to
can I
calculate
say?
all the cases in that case.
One simple thing I can say. There is only one way in which all the questions will be correct.
Yes, sir.
That is the step.
Suppose there are 5 questions. So there is only one way in which all the questions will be correct.
Yes.
Correct? That
Yes,
means
sir. We can say
there
that.
are 1023 ways for doing the wrong.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So this is the favorable
At
case. This
least
is the
one
total
below.
case. So 1023 divided by 1024. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but question was that not all answer correct. So
that is one way. There is one way for getting
Only
all the
one
correct.
way is there.
Okay.
for correct.
For
Okay,
correct.
okay.
When all the questions will be correct. So question is saying not all the correct. Not all the question correct means it can be possible 4 questions are correct, but 1 is not. 2 are correct, 3 is not. So we have to. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, each question has 4. Sir, each question has 4 multiple choice answers, right?
Yeah.
So if all 4 are there, then it will be already correct. Means if we choose any option which is correct, then there can be 4 possible cases. And then if we remove 1, for example, let's say 1, then it will be only 1 case.
It will be only one case.
Yeah, only 1 case it can be, means it can be right?
No. There is only one way for being all the questions correct.
Okay.
So it is asking about all questions correct. So what is the meaning of all questions correct? Suppose there are 5 questions. Question 1,
All
question
5 are
2,
correct.
question. All 5 are correct. So suppose there is question paper. So there is only one way in which all the 5 questions will be correct, right?
Yes.
So in how many ways? What is the total in number of ways in which students can answer the question? 1024.
1024.
Okay, 1024. So there is only one way for being the correct, okay, of all the questions. That means there are 1023 ways in which questions can be wrong.
Questions can be wrong. Okay, got
Even
it.
one question can be wrong.
At least one below.
Yeah, it can be 4 questions are correct, 1 is wrong.
Exactly. It may be
Then
2,
in this
3,
case,
4.
all the questions are not correct.
Sir, we can generate event like all are correct, only 4 are correct, only 3 are correct, and then
You have to
also
add. You have to consider
we
all
have
the
to add
cases.
that.
Okay? So it's a simple things. One.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It was clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
What about question number 17?
So it was done.
Done for
Similar
everyone?
to activity question.
Yeah, please. Yeah, it was okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what about steps?
Sir, this
Simultaneous without replacement order does matter and permutation.
And
call the even position.
It's just simultaneously.
Yes.
There are only 2 things, sir. 2 ways it can happen. One is first person will be a boy. In that case, the alternate people will be girls. This is the first way. Out of the 4 boys, that can happen in 4P4.
Can you repeat? It was asking about 4 boys and 4 girls are there. In how many ways? We can done seating arrangement in a row of 8 seats such that no 2 girls should sit together. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
what is the meaning of? Suppose this is 3,
can
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yes. Please go ahead. That will be.
I have taken 2 options, sir. First is a boy. In that case, 2, 4, 6.
Sir, may I?
Yeah,
so
please
go. First
First
boy can
of,
be in 4 ways. I mean, in 4 ways. The second boy will be in 3 ways. two
Where?
ways, one way. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Okay.
This
Sir,
can
here is a two case. First of
Yeah,
for
see.
four
One
girls.
minute. 1 minute. See, please speak one by one. Okay. Don't make chaos.
Can
It's not.
Similarly,
Okay.
the girls
One second.
be
Listen to me.
same
Let Naren finish first. After that, you will do.
Okay,
Naren.
okay, sir.
What I did is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. These are the number of ways boys can be seated.
Where? At any place.
No. First position. I split this into two, sir. First position, boy is there.
Okay.
If first position, boy is there. Second, 2, 4, 6, 8 will be girls.
2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that's a good approach.
Then these boys, there are 4 boys. So
Yes.
first can be seated in 4 ways. Boys can be selected. Then the second one will have 3 ways. Then third one is last one is 1 way. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Correct.
Similarly, girls also can be done into 4 into 3 into 1 way.
Correct.
So this is one number. You again, the girls can take the question.
Yeah, correct. See, in the question, correct.
Multiply by 2.
Correct.
Multiply by 2 will give the answer.
Correct. Because in the question it says no two girls should be sit together. That means girls can be either this even numbered places or odd number places. Correct. So I can consider the even. So if you consider the even, so we have 4 girls, right? So I can arrange the 4 girls at this place in how many ways? 4 ways.
4 factorial.
This place 3 ways, 2 ways and 1 way. So 4 factorial. But we have to fill the remaining 4 places as well. So for the boys, similarly, it will be 4 factorial way. This is the one approach. Just flip the case. So when girls are at the odd number of places and boys are the even number of places. So again, it will be 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So just add these two, you will get the correct answer.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, in this arrangement, there is one more arrangement we can do, like first girl, and then second and third boys. Then third is again, fourth is a girl. Then again boy, girl. Like last
One
four.
second. What you are saying?
That is first is a girl.
Okay.
Second and third boy.
Okay.
Then again a girl.
Okay.
Then boy.
Okay.
Then girl, boy, girl.
Girl, boy. Okay.
Again a girl. In this case, how the arrangements?
It doesn't work because it's not a same like that asking questions.
No, it is like, no two girls are to be seated
One
together.
second.
In this also, no two girls are seated together.
Can you show the sequence what she has given?
See. Thing is that.
Sir, there are 5 boys.
No, 4 is
No,
there.
4 boys only and 4 girls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But think at okay.
So it's kind of same thing. Permutation will be same used here.
No.
No, this is another arrangement. No.
Yeah, this is another arrangement.
No, but thing is that 4 boys, 4 girls. In how many ways the sitting arrangement can be done in a row of 8 seats? Okay, so in a row of 8 seats, such that no 2 girls should sit together.
What she told, our arrangement looks valid, sir.
Okay, but this is the.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm thinking about this.
Yes, and that's why I got my answer wrong.
Okay, this is you are thinking about a particular case. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the another
and
case?
the other arrangement also, like how we did first two, this can also have 2 cases.
Okay, this you are saying this can also have 2 cases. Okay, so
Yeah.
this will be boy, girls, boy, girls.
No, not like that, sir.
Boy, girls, boy.
Not like that, sir.
This is not valid, no? Girls are
No, this is not valid, sir. Not
Okay.
like this.
So
Not like
thing is
this.
that-
From
okay.
from the other side.
Okay,
Left
tell
side
me.
you did, so right side.
Okay, you are saying
Like
girls,
this too?
boy, girls, boy, girls, boy, girls. Correct?
And the BB can come in the middle also. The BB
can be
combination can come in the middle also, right?
Okay, so you can consider this case. You can consider this case, okay? But you have to add all the cases, right?
Correct. So then the answer will be different.
No, answer will not be different. Thing is that you have to consider all the cases. One more approach you can do: sitting arrangement of all 8 minus when 2 girls are together. Okay.
Okay.
So you are considering this one. So there will a lot be cases. Okay. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? See, you are considering this particular case. You are considering this particular case. There will be another case where 2 girls are not together. Correct?
So then how to do this sum?
That's why it's a, yeah, then you have to consider, I mean, see, since in these questions, we have considered to both the cases. One, when both girls are not together. I mean, when these girls are at even places, and then girls are, I mean, another case is when the girls are at
odd places. But they have asked how many seating arrangements can be made. This is also a valid seating arrangement wherein no girls are together. No 2 girls are together. So then should we not include this also?
Okay, one second. But thing is, I'm worrying about there are 2 boys are together, but it's not about boys. Okay, let's compute this one. It's 8 factorial minus when 2 girls are together, what it will be?
First, we need to choose which 2 girls are together. No, 4C2. Choose 2 girls.
No, that's okay. Suppose in this sitting arrangement of 8 places, when 2 girls will sit together, what will be the number of ways?
Sir, I have a point. If there is a question ki no 2 girls are together and neither the boys are together, then only we can do odd even. Otherwise,
Correct.
this is valid.
Yes.
Otherwise,
this seems valid.
Yeah, I think that's
saying that also
They should also have
I think yeah, I think that
boys
together.
I think that statement should be there. We'll check.
So the
these things.
question they'll have to, if they had given boys also, then maybe what you said was valid.
Yeah, we'll check. I mean, I think yeah, we'll check this one. Yeah, but one approach you can do: all the 8 persons, I mean 4 boys and 4 girls minus when 2 girls are there. Can you
But
tell
then
me what
2
will
girls
be
are there, 2 girls together. We'll have to discuss all the cases and then.
No, not only 2 girls, sir. Even 3 girls together, 4 girls
Sir,
together.
3 and 4 as well.
correct?
Yeah.
So we have to add 2 girls together, then 3 girls together. Yeah. So when 2 girls are together, then how many ways we can do? Tell me. Suppose you have 8 places, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If these 2 are girls sitting together,
then we can take that as a single entity.
Single entity. Okay.
Yeah.
In
So
how
it'll
many
be 7 ways.
7 factorial.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir. Which 2 girls? We need to again choose 2
Sir, we have
from
to
4
choose,
girls, right?
So it
that
will be
2 girls can be sitting anywhere.
No, I'm going to consider.
Yes, sir. So we need to rearrange them as well.
If 2 are there, we can consider that about 3 1 also.
Yeah, then 4 also you have to consider, sir.
4, yeah, 4. If you will consider 4, that means it will be totally 5 distinct. Okay. I mean, then we have to add all the things. And you are talking about this statement. I think yeah, that should be more clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
that should be. Yeah.
it's-
But so far, it's I mean, this things is objective was this one actually. It's clear. I mean, approach of the
Yes,
this
sir.
So
question.
that will be added in the question if it will.
Yeah, we'll add it. We'll add things. Okay. Now it's okay for everyone. Or
Yes, sir.
okay. What about EMQ?
So simultaneous event without replacement permutation has been used.
Correct. Order matters or not?
Order
Order
matters.
matters.
Order matters, sir.
Correct.
It is matter.
And then
What
that
about-
means permutation. Sir, this
Correct.
question please explain.
So
What about
permutation.
What about 19th?
This question explain please.
Sir, I have a doubt in 9.
Okay. What is your doubt? Okay, let's go. What's the given things and what's the given to us and what's not? Okay, let's write the each and everything. Okay, so question is saying, suppose box A contains 6 red and 8 black balls. Okay, so suppose this is box A contains 6 red and 8 black, correct? And box B contains 5 red and 4 black. Box B
Yes.
contains 5 red and
4 black.
okay. Now a ball is chosen at random from box A and placed in box B. That means I'm going to choose a ball from this A and going to place it in box B, correct? Now a ball is chosen at random from box B. Okay, after placing the ball in the box B, I'm going to choose a ball, correct? So far it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the conditional probability that a black ball was transferred from A to B given that ball chosen from box B is red? Okay, so I can define the events, right?
Sir, can't hear you.
Yeah, sorry, I was muted. So I'm saying after placing the ball in the box B, I have to choose one ball. Okay.
Yes.
What is the question? Question is conditional probability that a black ball was transferred from box A to box B, given that ball chosen from box B is red. So I can define the event like I can define the event as a black ball was transferred from A to B, and another event as
The ball
box
chosen from
ball chosen is
B
red,
is
right?
means given box from B, it is
So
red.
I'm
So
going
firstly
to
find
define
the,
event.
how many ways to find the B to chosen ball rate.
Okay, I'm going to define event E1 as black ball is transferred from A to B. Okay, black ball is transferred from A to B, and E2 event as what was that? Red ball, right?
Red ball is selected.
Red ball is selected or chosen. Okay, so I need to find this probability E2 when E1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what would be probability of E1 intersection E2 divided by probability of E2?
Yes.
So far it is clear. Now,
yes.
What will the probability of E1 in intersection E2? What is the meaning of that?
That means it should be a black ball.
Black ball is
and
transferred
it should be a red ball.
Yeah, black ball is transferred from A to B and red ball is chosen, correct? So can I say probability that what is okay, I can say red ball is chosen into given that red ball is chosen and black ball is transferred from A to B.
Sir,
Okay,
can you please
Yes, we can do that.
Yeah, forget about this. What is the meaning of this one? Tell me.
And the black ball has the chosen.
Black ball is transferred from A to B,
and
the red ball is chosen.
from
So
the
can I write probability of what will the probability when black ball is transferred to A to B? What is the probability when a black ball is transferred to A to B?
8 by.
What is the probability of E1?
8 by
14.
8 by 14. Okay. Now, what is the probability that black ball is transferred from A to B and from B chosen it is red? Are you getting? So, what is the probability?
If
A
we
red ball is
transfer
5 by
all the
10.
black balls, then 8
Into
plus 4 is
intersection
already
U.
it will
that
be
value.
5 by 10 or
5
5
by
by
5 by
10.
Sir, why 10? Sir, why 10?
One
Why?
ball is
Because
transfer.
one black ball is we are transferring A to B.
Only one. Only one.
Yes, in the question it is written clearly. Only one ball is black ball is we are transferring A to B. Then it will be total 10 ball in the box B, and from this box B we are choosing one red ball.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So it will be 8 by 14 into 5 by 10 in the numerator. Now come to the denominator, probability of E2. So probability of E2 is saying, what is the meaning of probability E2 means? Probability
Red
of
ball is chosen.
red ball is chosen. Okay.
So that
how
will
we can
be 5
choose?
by 9.
5 by 9.
Okay. First, in how we can choose the red ball? First,
From
From
by
A
9.
box or B box.
Correct. First, we we have to consider red ball is transferred. See, listen to me. What I'm saying. We need to consider the case red ball is chosen, right?
So 6
and we have
5.
to choose. See, listen to me. What I'm saying. See, we have to choose the red ball from where? Box B. Correct.
Box B is there.
Yeah, where we have to choose in the question statement.
Box B is there. Box B is there.
A ball is chosen at random from box A and placed to box B, and we have to choose first a ball and then we have to replace. After that, a ball is chosen at random from box B. Okay, so I'm saying red ball is chosen. The selected ball will be red when I can replace a black ball to this one. Correct. And I'm going to choose a red ball from box B.
Sir, not getting what you said.
Okay, one second. Is this for everyone or any one of you getting this point?
Sir, actually, I find tree diagram more easy, which Usha ma'am told us in revision session. It was very easy.
Yeah,
I also did in trees only, sir.
And I solved this question using tree diagram only.
Yeah, you
So
can do
this is very complicated, sir.
No, it's not complicated. What I'm trying to say, just listen to me carefully. What I'm saying, see, what is this event? Red ball is chosen, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose this is the things. This is box A. This is box B, correct? I'm saying I have to replace a ball from A to B. Then I have to choose a ball from box B. Okay. We are doing the selection of the ball from box B only, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm saying we have to choose the red ball. Okay. There are 6 red ball and 8 black ball, 5 red ball and 4 black ball.
Yes.
So far it is clear. In how you can choose the red ball. First, I suppose first case I replace a black ball to this. Can I do?
Yes, we can do.
I replace a black ball to second and I chooses the red ball from this one.
Yes. Okay.
Or I can say I replace a red ball to this and choose it. I mean selected a red
so
ball.
first we are doing replacement. That's why
Correct.
we can transfer anyone.
Correct. So we can replace either a black ball or a red ball. Correct.
Okay.
Now is it okay for everyone?
Yes, now I got it, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I also got it.
From the T diagram, you can say like it's a something how much? 6
So
red,
can you
6 red, 8 black. Okay. Then I have to replace. Then I am going to choose. So you can make the events. Okay. So
it will get diverse.
Yeah. I mean, it depends on everyone's how they are going to. So here you can find the probability, right? So when I'm going to replace a black ball, in how many? What is the probability for that?
Black replacement.
Yes.
8 by 14.
8 by 14 into. I'm choosing a red ball. What is the probability for choosing a red ball?
5 by 10.
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Or replacing a red ball to box B.
6 by 14.
What is the probability?
6 by
So
40.
one wall will be replaced, na? So it will be 6 by 40.
And choosing a red ball from this
6
So
by
then
10.
it will be
6 by
6
10.
by
6 by 10.
6 by 10.
10.
Why 6? Because I'm
Just
replacing
5
a
has
red
all.
ball, so it will be 6.
Yes, got
Okay.
it, got it.
So just this into this divide by this total. Okay.
And now we have to just do the f of e.
Yeah.
Got it.
So it was okay for everyone.
Sir, how to do that one with tree diagram?
Tree diagram, you can just go with the Usama lecture. Okay. I mean,
Okay.
you can
Also, I
define
have one
like,
question regarding that machine learning question was there, no?
machine learning question.
Yeah, there was one question
Okay,
regarding
okay,
machine
okay. What's your doubt?
how to, yeah, to this one means we have to use probability, but can't we use any other method?
It's a simple Bayes approach.
Bayes theorem.
Bayes theorem.
So I don't get Bayes theorem a lot. That's why.
I mean, don't get means in this question you did not identify or did not understand.
I was not
the
able
Bayes.
to identify. So.
No, see,
Means
simple
that
things.
I was
What-
trying
what
to
I'm
do
saying.
it with contingency table, but it was not working.
No, no.
Sir, for specifically for this question, I think tree diagram would be a great option. I mean, particularly for this question.
But I don't.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
For tree diagram, how to do that if we use tree diagram?
Okay, so you will tell me what is the given to us. Machine learning model detects whether the given image is an image
Is a
of
dog
dog
or
or not.
not?
Okay. So we have to find whether it is dog or not.
Hmm.
Suppose this is dog, not dog, correct? Kind of things. And it is found that given an image of a dog, the model predicts it to be a dog in
It is right
95%.
95% of cases.
It is right in the 95% of the cases.
Yes. So 5% will be wrong.
5% will be wrong. So it's something 95%. 5%. Correct.
Okay.
So again, on the other hand, the image is not actually a dog. It shows the image to be dog 30% of the time.
So from that 5%, we have to
So
calculate
you have
for
to
the
make
30%.
another branches. Okay. You have to make what the given to you. You have to make the another branches. You have to make like this. Like
For this one, no, not
Okay.
dog only. No?
And so, I mean, I'm just saying in general. So you have to make according what's the given to you. Just make the branches for not dog. What is the probability it detects the dog? If it's not dog, what is the probability it detects as not dog? Okay. Similarly for this case. Okay. Accordingly, what you have
But
asked.
why do we require that the first case, that 95% case? Because it's saying related to not dog. So we should extend it with not dog. No?
I'm just saying in general, Purnendu,
Okay.
what I'm trying to say, according to the given statements or the things which are given in the questions, you have to make the branches. That's all, right? Suppose it's a dog, not dog, things are given, you can make the branches there and there. That's I'm trying to say. Okay. Either you can approach in this way or you can make the statements. So is this clear? I mean, for everyone, or should I did not
Can you
plot
just solve it?
whole tree diagram. For the solution, you can prefer the solution PDF. There is
Okay. Yeah, they have used probabilities.
okay.
They taken A complement, then A intersection, means created event, and then they tipped the complement.
Yeah. Based on
And
the
applied the formula. That's all they did.
Yeah. So you can make the events. According to branches, like ma'am has taken something I don't remember things, but you can like dog, not dog, right? In the not dog, it detects dog. It detects not dog. I mean, machine learning detects not dog. Similarly, what the things is given to you, right? Suppose is give okay. So accordingly, what the probability of this one? What the probability of this one? Okay. If it asking about this branch to this branch, so you have to multiply this case, or it's asking about this branch to this branch, you have to multiply. I mean, accordingly, just you can make the case. Okay. Yeah. So in the mock is clear for everyone or any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. Yes. So
Yeah,
I want to ask one thing.
Yes, please.
So the videos which you have told me that there are videos for multiplication for revision session,
Okay.
but you have shown that there are links, but in my dashboard there are no links. There is only one video for revision session week.
Hello, sir.
Refresh it.
Yeah, you can refresh and
sir.
it's for everyone. Yes, yes, please. Go ahead.
So
Sir,
can
I
you
am
please show me once?
It's
Hello,
already
sir.
uploaded on the portal.
Actually, I have a
Janvi.
doubt. It's out of the mock sessions. It's related to the Quiz-2, the marking skill. Hello.
Yes, 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 yes. Please go ahead.
Sir, it's actually I have a doubt that the actually have sent the huge one due to some reason. Okay. And
Actually, your voice got break in the
okay, sir.
beginning. Yeah. Can
No,
you
sir,
repeat?
it's clear. Hello.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, sir. Actually, I am asking that actually I
Mm-hmm.
have absent in the quiz 1 too. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and also for the some reason due to some illness.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I haven't done in the properly way the maths to week 4 to 8. But it's done in the stats. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if I actually marking will we allow max the less than the 40% the max or it's maybe a stats, then what will happen the actually can I do the exam the intern exam or not? Hello.
Yeah. So just for this, this doubt, just write to the support team, Satyan. They will get the answers for this. I'm not clear about exactly. So I can't
But
say
sir
with certainty from my side.
okay, sir.
So yeah.
But sir
Yeah.
it has written in the graded up
Okay.
pattern. The
And
book has a
if
written
it's
on
written, then but if you have still you have doubt with any related to something,
confusion.
so such type of query is handled by the support. You can write to the email to them.
But it has written that the only the presence in the any one of the queues has written need only to need.
Excuse me,
I
sir.
think I need to check then. Okay, I will check this.
Sir, I have refreshed my dashboard, but now also I am not getting those links. There is only one video of 2 hours for revision session for 7-8 week.
No, I
Same
think
here,
it's.
sir.
Is it
I
for
also
everyone, or I don't think it's for everyone, right? It's uploaded in the portal.
I can see all the videos in my dashboard.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Sir, I lost my connection, so I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
In the previous question, ball transfer from box A to box B.
Okay.
If box B is empty and condition is given like 3 white ball and 1 black ball chooses, then probability of the 3 ball white and 1 ball black, then how we calculate, sir? Can you
Okay.
share the
No. You
screen?
are saying box A is there and box B is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that.
In box A, 3 ball white and 5 ball black.
3 ball white, 5 ball black. Okay.
And B is empty box.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 ball is transferred from A to B.
4 balls.
4 ball. Then find the probability and select the ball from box B.
Select how many? 1 ball.
1 ball, and it is to be white.
Okay.
Then find the probability of a selected ball is 3 ball white and 1 ball black.
3 balls white, 1 black. No, you are saying
Sir, from the moved balls, I mean, you have moved 4 balls to the B, right?
Okay.
Like some 4 balls we have transferred in that case.
Excuse me, sir.
So you are saying.
Can I read all the full question?
So you are saying 1 white ball and 3 black ball are transferred. Okay.
Sir, can I read the full question?
Okay, where it is?
I think it is in somewhere I found, but I don't know exactly where I.
May to
Sir, it's from previous quiz 2 questions, sir.
Quiz 2 May 2022.
Sir, can I read?
Okay, please go ahead.
From box B, a ball is drawn at a random and it is found to be white. What is the probability that out of 4 ball transfer, 3 are white and 1 is black?
3 are white and these
One
are the
is
total cases.
Sir, actually, I don't understand. That's why I asked. Yes, it is from previous year question.
Sir, I also had this doubt. I will tell now, sir.
One second.
Tell you.
One second. You are saying it's from last term quiz 2, right?
What, sir?
I mean, it's May 2022 quiz 2 question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. For a second, let me find the.
Please share the link. We will also solve those questions.
In that question paper.
Sorry?
I have 2 more doubts in that paper, sir. 2 more, not doubts exactly, the way how to approach the answer. That if you tell also is okay.
Except mocks, we have doubts in graded assignment too.
Yeah, I will come to the question. Let me find the.
Sir, March 2022. Hello, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. It's March or it's last
March, March 2022.
I know MAR. 1 second. Let me search the QP because that.
Can someone please share the link of those papers? We will also solve.
Just search for the open notes on Google and there just type IIT BSc previous questions and you're gonna find it. The open notes, that's the website.
Open notes. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, page number 53.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just I find out the questions. So let me share my screen. Okay. And one this was I found that one. Let me share my screen.
I sent the link.
No, I found it already. Okay, so now you can. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which question you are talking about? This one.
Yes, sir. 1/7.
Yes, sir. Yes, 8.
So it's saying an A contains 3 white and 5 black ball. Okay, so it's saying there is A which contains 3 white and 5 black. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 4 balls are transferred to an empty urn B from urn A. This is empty urn B. From urn B, a ball is drawn at random is found to be white. Okay. What is the probability that out of 4 balls transferred, 3 are white and 1 is black? Okay. So
yes,
what should be the correct approach according to you?
So 0 white balls, 1 white ball, 2 white ball, 3 white balls, sir.
Correct.
So what is the probability of getting 0 white ball?
Correct.
So it will be all 3, 4 will be black balls. That probability will be totally 8 balls are there. I mean 5 black balls are there. We have to select 4 balls. So 5 C4.
Since correct, you are right. See, we have to transfer 4 balls in a total, right? So I can transfer like I can make even a 0 white and 4 black balls, correct? I can make the event of E2. I transferred 1 white and 3 black ball. I can make event E3 as 2 white and 2 black ball, and event E4 as 1 white, sorry, 3 white and 1 black ball. We can't transfer 4 white because in total we have 3. Okay, so these are the possible cases for transferring the ball. Correct?
Correct.
Are you
Yes.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the probability for this? And say I'm making an event E as drawing a ball. Okay, drawing a ball from urn B. Correct? I can make or not?
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Hello, is it for everyone?
No, sir, I am able to listen.
Okay.
No, sir, it's clear.
So what the
Sir, your voice is
question
clear, sir.
I think it's from your side. Can you check? So probability, that what is probability? We need to find 4 balls transferred, 3 are white and 1 is black. Okay, and it's given
Excuse
that.
me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Your voice is lagging.
It's from, I think, your side. It's okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm saying a ball is drawn at random, is found to be white. It's given to me. White is given to me, right? The event is given to us, right? That selected ball is white. What is the probability that 4 balls transferred, 3 are white and 1 is black? That means we have to find this probability. That means E4 given E, it will be probability of E4 intersection E divided by probability of E. So now, what is this? This is something Bayes theorem. So probability of E means what? Okay, let me go to there. So probability of E means what? Drawing a ball from urn B is white, correct? This will be drawing a white ball. Is it clear? So
yes,
it will be white ball, and this case will be not. This case will be there. Probability of this will be 0.
0.
Why? Because probability of E is there, but probability of, sorry, E given E1 will be 0, correct? Are you getting or not this thing? This is the probability will be 0.
Yes,
Why?
sir. Yes,
Because
sir. Yes, sir.
we are saying one ball
There's no
we are selecting
intersection,
white,
sir. I mean,
white, but there is 0 white, so that is null probability. Okay. So what is the thing? We can consider this case plus probability that white ball, and second case probability of white ball, and third case plus probability of white ball, and fourth case. So you have to multiply it by the all. I mean, you have to add all the cases. Is this clear now for everyone?
No, that is correct, sir. But when I added all the probabilities, I am not getting 1. That E4 I am getting as 1 by 56. Whether that will be right? How I got is
No,
3.
Can you repeat what you are saying? What you are saying? E4.
E4 I am getting as 1 by 56, sir.
So what is the probability for E4?
1 by 56.
No. How did you compute 1 by 56?
The probability of first ball being white.
Sir, I think it is a 15 probability E4.
So probability of E4 means what? Okay. First, let me know.
How I did, I will tell you, sir.
See, probability of E1 means what? 0 white and 4 black balls we are transferring, right?
Yes.
So we have total 8 balls. In how many ways I can choose the 4 balls? 8C4.
Yes, sir.
And here we are transferring 0 white and 4 black. That means 5C4. Correct? For E2,
yes.
1 white. That means 3C1 and 5C3. Correct? Because 3 black. So 3 from 5, 1 from this. In total, we are transferring 4 balls. For probability of E3, 2 white and 2 black, it will be 3C2 into 5C2 divided by 8C4. And for
Yes,
E4, it will be 3C3 into 5C1 divided by 8C.
Yes,
So you
sir.
have to compute the
I got
problem.
mistake where I did make.
Sir, it is understandable, but what you write in a box, rectangular box, probability E is equal to probability
This
P.
one?
Yes, sir. Can you please explain again?
So it's a law of total probability. Nothing. Let me go to another. Okay. Suppose this is okay. I have made an event E, right? What is that? Drawing a white ball is from box B. This is the my second event, right? I mean event E, correct?
Yes, sir.
And E1 was transferring 0 white and 4 black. E2
Yes.
was 1 white and 3 black. E3
Yes.
was 2 white and 2 black. E4 was 3 white and 1 black. Okay, it was
Yes.
this was the question. So what is the probability? Probability of E. E means what? Probability of drawing a white ball from B. Correct. So how we can draw? We can draw a white ball from urn B when it is white, and this case I have transferred 0 and 4 black.
Yes,
or
sir.
White and this case
E2. Yes.
plus white and this case plus I have chosen a white ball and I have transferred this thing. Okay, means you can think like that. Suppose this is the sub parts of the E1, E2, E3, E4. Suppose this is the E1, this is the E2, this is the E3, this is the E4. In E1, you have transferred 0 white and 4 black. E2,
Yes, sir.
1 white and 3 black, 2 white and 2 black, 3 white and 1 black. Question is saying E is the event which is a white ball is chosen. So what will be the probability for white ball is chosen? That means this E intersection E1 or E intersection E2 plus probability of E intersection E3 plus probability of E. Okay, this is nothing but the law of total probability. Is this clear for everyone?
Sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt?
So yes, I have doubt in some other topic.
Sir, sir.
Yeah.
Same question. Same question paper. If you just tell me how you can go out, like variance is given, they're asking for. 1 second, which is the question?
The variance is given, and they're asking for the covariance between X and Y. That's the question.
Question in same question, whatever we discussed now. If the hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
The question number
Instead of 3 white and 1 black, question answer 2 white and 2 black. Then we consider only first three case, na?
No. See, you have to transfer 4 balls in total. So in how many way I can transfer 4 balls? So these are the 4 possible cases according to the given number of balls. Okay. If it is asking about a white ball drawn is chosen, what is the probability that 2 white and 2 black? So it will be 3. It will get changed, but you have to consider all the 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. In this question, which question you have?
Sir, X contains observation of the speed of car.
This
and
one?
Y contains
This
observation
one?
of the speed of car. Yes, sir.
So it's saying Y is the 2 times of X, right?
Yes, sir. So variance will be 4 times.
So variance of Y will be 4 times variance of X.
X, sir. Correct.
Correct. So thing is, it's as more sample covariance. So okay, one more thing. There is 2 things. Y is equal to 2X. Is this linear association or not?
Yes, linear association.
That means
Correct.
correlation will be 1.
Oh.
Okay. So covariance of X comma Y. So you can find the standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y, and you will get the covariance.
Cross multiplying. So this is important.
Or
then
another approach is sample
R
covariance.
is equal to 1.
Okay. Forget about R is equal to 1. So covariance is, I can say 1 upon n minus 1 summation of xi minus x bar yi minus y bar.
Yes, sir.
So just apply y is equal to, you are given as 2x. So you can apply there and you will get the answer. Okay.
Correct.
I mean, this is something.
Yes, sir. This point I forgot. Sir, this one over correct. Sir, I think you have already did this one, but I could not find that video. That 3 chocolates, dark chocolates, 5 dark chocolate and 3 milk chocolate. I
This
searched,
one?
I couldn't get, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the question? 5 dark chocolates and 3 milk chocolates are there. Okay. 5 dark chocolate, 3 milk chocolates are there. After this, I will take the doubts from something graded. Okay. So 5 milk chocolates. So 3 chocolates are to be selected randomly without replacement. In how many ways can the chocolates be selected such that at least one dark chocolate is there? So what is the meaning of at least one dark chocolate?
It can contain 1 dark chocolate minimum, or all the
See,
3
what
chocolates.
is the meaning of at least one? At least one means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's all.
But we are selecting 3, so it will be only 3. So you have to add just 5C1, 5C2 plus 5C3. No. If you are doing 5C1, but I'm selecting 3 chocolates, that means remaining 2 chocolates will be from milk, or 5C2 plus 3C1 plus 5C3 into 3C0. That's all.
55 answer is not coming, sir.
By this
5C1
formula.
5 into.
Okay. What is 3C2?
3.
5C2 is 10. 3C7 is 3. 5C3 is again 10.
Oh, I
3C0
meant. Okay,
so
okay. No,
just
sir.
recheck your calculation. Okay.
Yes,
It's a
yes,
simple
yes. I
question.
will get. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay,
So can
so
I?
Janvi, please ask.
So
What is
graded assignment 7, week 7.
okay?
So fourth question.
Okay, so how did you approach to this?
So I made a Venn diagram, but for like I have made one Venn diagram. One is for badminton and other is for table tennis. And then they said that tennis students. It is also noted that all students who play tennis also play table tennis. So all students. So one
Okay.
like,
Let me.
but
What
I'm
is
not able
given?
to
There
solve
are
it.
okay. I'm going to give you. There are total 220 students.
Yes.
Who are part of the badminton, table tennis, and tennis game. So it is saying that of which 60% of the students play table tennis. Okay, let me draw the Venn diagram. Okay. Suppose there are total 220 students, correct?
Hanji.
So suppose this is your whole sample space. Now, it's saying 60% of the students play table tennis. So what will be the 60% of 220?
It will be 9. No, I have some other. I have 150 there. Okay.
It can be, different thing.
It's 132.
So
yeah, 132.
132 students.
So it was for table tennis. Yeah. So for table tennis, 60% is there. So 132 for the table tennis, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 20% play tennis. So 20% of 220 will be 44.
Yes.
Now 70% play badminton. So 70% play badminton. So for badminton 70% of 220 will be 154.
Yes.
Now it is also noticed that all students who play tennis also play table tennis but not badminton. Okay, so since from here I can see, I can make this one and this one. Suppose this is for the badminton, this is for the tennis. So question is
table tennis.
Yeah, table tennis. Students who play tennis also play table tennis,
but
not badminton. So this is for table tennis. So tennis is there.
Yes, sir.
But not badminton. Okay, it's not
yes.
for badminton. Okay, it's for tennis only.
Table tennis.
Table tennis. Now a student is selected at random. What is the probability that he or she is the part of table tennis team only? So we need to find the table tennis team. That means we need to find this
intersection,
red region.
Yeah.
It is asking about table tennis only. So table tennis only means, see, how many table tennis players are there? 132.
132.
For tennis, it's 44. For badminton, it's 154. So add the things. 132 plus 44 plus 154. How much is total?
It will be 150.
Just add the things.
180. 280.
It's a
330,
280.
sir.
330. 1 second. 140,
330.
54.
It's 330.
Yeah, it's a 330. Correct. So it's the 330. But you
Okay,
can
I
see.
have taken 104. Sorry.
So this 330, but it's a greater than this. That means what? We are doing we are counting a thing twice.
Yes, but sometimes, but
Okay.
it doesn't include intersection, so we'll subtract that.
So we have to
common.
subtract 1 times. We have, see, when you are considering the table tennis and badminton, okay, so you are counting the things as twice, right? So it will be 110. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 110 is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so it is 110 is what? 110 is what?
The intersection.
Is the intersection?
Yes, sir.
Is this
common?
Okay. So it is asking about probability of table tennis only. So what is the table tennis only?
132 minus 110.
One second. 132 is for table tennis. 110, yeah. So we have to minus 132 minus 110.
Minus
What it will be?
It will be 22.
22.
It will be 22. So 22 is the only who are
table tennis.
Table
ones.
tennis.
And divided by 220. Okay. Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
I think it's one. What is the answer? Answer, yeah, answer is in the range. Okay, it's clear now?
Yes, sir. So one more doubt. I have 3-4 doubts from practice assignment.
Which practice assignment?
7 only.
Okay, rest of the things are clear for everyone related to mock and all things.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that mock question, that boys and girls arrangement, where no two girls sit together.
Okay. Yeah, we'll check that one. Okay.
Yeah. No, for that question, I have the solution and I wrote the answer, but I was not given marks. It was marked wrong. That is why I wanted to confirm with you.
Is the answer 2880?
Yeah, 2880. Yes.
Same was my answer.
But it was.
Okay. I will check the cases which you have mentioned. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no issues about that. Okay. What was the rest of the doubt?
Yeah, sir. I'm asking. So it was a question.
Yeah,
a
where it
coin
is?
It is in practice assignment 7.1.
Okay. Question might be different.
So yeah, first question only. First question.
Nandini's
Nandini's phone battery died.
Okay, so how did you approach to this? First of all, tell me.
So first of all, there was written that there is a 4-way junction before reaching her hometown. So she arrives a 4-way junction. So I am confused in it that it's a 4-way or it's a name of a junction.
So
There
are two four. See,
junction.
it's a simple thing. There are two 4-way junctions. That means there are. Suppose she reached here one place. Okay. So up. This is one, and this is the second.
Other one.
When she will go, she is driving to her hometown. She will get two 4-way junctions. That is okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Accordingly, you can compute the probability. Okay.
please explain that?
Okay, so it's a simple probability, right? C will get two four-way junctions, correct?
Yeah.
So, but see, suppose C reaches at the first four-way junction, okay? So C has to, in how many ways C can choose to go her home?
Two ways.
Two ways.
Three ways.
Suppose
Three
C
One way, sir. Only one way, sir. I mean,
There will
only
be
one correct way.
yeah,
one
that is
correct
the
way, but three ways will be there.
I'm asking about suppose
Yeah,
she
three
is
ways.
going to
Yeah,
her
three
home
ways. Three ways.
and she got one four-way junction and she is coming from this side, okay? So
Okay,
C
okay.
has how many options?
Three options.
Three options.
Either this side,
Three
either this
options, sir.
side or
Three
this side.
options.
And this is for the first four-way junction, okay? Suppose she took the way of this one and she got another four-way junction from here. Again,
Okay.
she will have three-way.
Three ways. Okay, sir.
There
Okay.
are total 9 ways.
Yeah.
Now, but there is only one way in which she can reach her home.
Yeah.
Correct? So that is, there is only one correct way. So probability will be 1/9. That's all.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, it's a simple probability. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
So a
And-
question, yeah, it's of, so can you please go down? Yeah, this fourth one in an exam, there are 10
Which one?
multiple. Fourth question.
I
10
think
multiple select questions.
I will again say you had not attended the sessions of, I think we have discussed these all questions in some open session as I can remember, if I'm not wrong, but
Yes, sir, it was discussed in details.
yeah. So I'm going to give you a hint, Janvi, okay? So
Okay, sir.
yeah. So question is saying in an exam there are 10 multiple select questions, okay? So in each multiple select question, more than one option can be correct. That is the meaning of multiple select option.
Yeah,
And in each MSQ, there are 4 options, correct?
Yeah.
If a student chooses all the correct options, then he or she will get 4 marks.
Oh,
Else,
that's good.
he or she will get, she will not get any marks. Okay.
Any mark.
What is the probability that he or she will score at least 16 marks in the question? I mean, in the exam. And it is written that student has to choose at least one option. So can you tell me when students will get at least 16 marks?
When 4 options, like 4
There
questions.
are 10. Yeah, there are at least 4 questions are correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So at least 4 questions are correct. That means I can say less than 4 questions are wrong.
Less than
1 minus, I can find the probability when less than 4 questions are wrong.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
when you will go to consider at least 4, then you have to consider 5 questions are correct, 6 questions are correct, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. Okay. Here I have to add, I have to consider only 0, 1, 2, and 3, only 4 cases, right?
Oh.
Now, it's a MSQ, correct?
Yeah.
So in how many ways students can choose one option?
4, one option and 4C one way.
4 ways?
Yeah.
2 options?
4C 2 way.
3 options?
4C 3.
4 options?
4C 4.
Just add all the cases. You will
Okay.
get something.
Total
Yeah.
ways
So this
of answering the question.
It's a 15. Someone said, yeah, that's, I think I don't remember the value. Yeah. So this is for the one question. For 10 question, it will be 50 raised to power 10.
Yes.
In which a student can attempt the question. This is the total. Now, just consider 0 wrong questions.
Okay.
So in how many ways students can do a 0 wrong question?
4 all are correct.
Sorry, 0 wrong question means less than 4 are correct. Okay, sorry, it should be correct. Yeah, sorry about that. It should be correct. I mean, if 4 questions greater than or equal to 4 questions are correct, so I can say 1 minus probability less than 4 are correct, right?
Okay.
So if less than 4 are correct, so in how many ways students can correct 0 questions?
In 0 questions correct.
Yes.
Then all are wrong.
All are?
Yeah.
That means 10C0. See,
Okay.
there are 10 questions. I'm saying 0 questions are correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's in
Forgot
one
about
way.
it. Not one way. It's a 40 raised power 10. No. One second. 0 questions correct means no questions correct. Okay. So I have total 10 questions. I can say 10C0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means and for
No.
being a question correct, how many ways we have?
10C1.
Not. I'm saying for being a question correct, how many ways we have?
One.
In how many way a question can be correct?
One.
There is only one
Only
way.
one way, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
In which one question can be correct, right? And
Yeah.
if one question, okay. And for in how many ways a question can be wrong? 40 raised power 10. Are you getting?
No, sir.
See. Okay. Tell me.
Sir, can you tell me please in which open session you have discussed this question?
Okay. I don't remember exact, but listen to me. But in how what is the total number of way in which you can attempt a question? 15 ways.
15 raised to
This is the
power
total
10.
number of way in which you can attempt that question, right?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
means there is only one way in which a question can be correct.
Yeah.
Okay. For being the particular
4
question to be
options
correct,
correct.
not about 4 options. It can possible. See, there is only one way in which that question can be correct. If a student chooses the corrected options.
Okay.
That is the only one way in which that question will be correct.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
14 ways question will get wrong.
Okay.
Till this point,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what I'm saying, at least 4 questions students have to make as correct.
Yes, sir.
So I can say 1 minus probability less than 4 questions correct.
Yes.
So in how many ways a student can correct 3 questions? Let's come to by this. 3 questions correct. In how many ways?
3 questions correct.
Correct. Yes. Out of those 10. Anybody? See, it should be 10C3.
Yes.
Why? Because out of those 10 questions, any 3 questions can be correct.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Are you getting or not this at this point? I'm saying
Yeah.
out of 10
10C3.
questions,
3
only 3
questions are
questions correct. 10C3. Okay. I can choose any 10 3 questions which are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In how many ways that questions will be correct?
How many ways which greater than 4?
See, listen to me carefully. What I said. Okay. This point you get probability of at least 4 questions are correct. Okay.
Then only we can score great. More
1
than
minus I can do less than 4 questions correct.
Yes.
That means I have to consider the case when less than 4 questions correct means 3 questions are correct.
Yes.
So out of those 10 questions, in how many ways, what is the total number of ways in which 3 questions can be correct? First, it can be any 3 questions out of 10.
Yes.
And if 3 questions are correct, that means remaining 7 questions will be wrong. That means
Yes,
14 raised to power 7.
Yes.
Correct? Now, 2 questions are correct. So
Sir,
2
why
questions.
14 raised to the power 7? I understood that 14 questions are that cannot be correct.
Okay. One second. Tell me.
But why raised to the power 7?
1 second. Out of those 10 questions, if 3 are correct, that means 7 are wrong.
Yes.
In how many ways one question can be correct? There is only one way.
Yes.
And there is 14 way in which a particular question can be wrong.
Yes, sir.
So if these 3 questions are correct, that means these 7 questions are wrong.
Yes.
So for particular question, there are 14 ways in which that question can be wrong. So for the 7 questions, it will be 40 raised to power 7.
Yes.
Correct? Clear?
Yes.
Now, if 2 questions, it can be any 2 out of these 10 questions.
Yes.
That means 8 questions are wrong.
Yes.
So it will be 14 raised to power 8. Because
and now 1. So 10C 1 into 14 is about 9.
14 raised to power 9. Because one question is correct. It can be any one. I don't know. So I can choose 10C1 into 14 raised to power 9 and 0 question. So 10C0 into 40 raised to power 10. That means all questions are wrong. Okay.
Okay.
So I have to add these all cases for 3, for
And
2, for
subtract it
1
from
and subtract from 1. Okay.
16,
But
yeah.
be careful. You have to add these things. Since it is probability, so you have to divide the total number of cases by 50 raised to power 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
is this clear for
there was a question that a coin is tossed thrice, and what is the probability of getting 3 consecutive tails?
where it is?
It's a question in some of the activity questions. So I'm asking, a coin is tossed thrice,
Okay.
and what is the probability of getting 3 consecutive tails?
That's
like
it.
Yeah. So I have done it by 1 by 2 because it is a equally
1 by 8.
likely outcome. Yeah, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2.
No,
I have
it's
done
1.
it.
That's what, it's 1 by 8, no?
Yeah, but answer is not correct.
Where it is? Can you tell me so I can check this one?
It's in the answer is correct only. I also did that.
Okay, it's maybe. I
I
think
think
Janvi
7
there.
point.
Okay, I'll check it again.
Yeah,
Okay.
there might be some
It's okay.
calculation. Okay, so is this
Answer is
clear for everyone?
0.125. That
Yeah,
is
so 1 by 8 is 0.125.
Yes. It's correct
Okay.
only.
Maybe I have added them. Okay. It's okay.
Okay, so is this clear for everyone or any doubt in anybody?
No, sir. Thank you.
No, sir.
Okay, so you are familiar with all the concepts, right? And if you still have doubts, so just I said you can refer that tagged live sessions. Okay.
Sir, can I ask you one more question, please?
Okay, just tell me because it's too late for everyone, I think.
Yeah, sorry. There
Yeah.
are 30 students in a class who are supposed to be seated in 6 rows containing 6 seats each. So in
Where it
how many ways it is in some of it's in practice assignment 6.
practice as assignment 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
This one.
First. Yeah.
Okay, there are 30 students in class who are supposed to be seated in 6 rows containing 6 seats. Okay. In
Yeah.
how many ways can they occupy seats if 2 students A and B are asked to sit in the same row?
Same
Okay.
row.
So there are 6 rows. Okay. If
Okay.
A and B are 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Just go by the simple approach. If A and B are in the first row, okay, how many seats are there? 6 seats. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, in how many ways there are you can put the remaining 4 places?
If there are
4,
30 students, then we can.
Yeah. First of all, in how many ways you can fix A and B? 6 into 5?
Yeah.
I mean, A can sit any of the 6 places and B can sit any of the 5 places.
5 places.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about remaining person?
They can be
4
seated
factorial.
4 fact, yeah. 4 into 3 into 2, yeah. 4 factorial.
Okay. Then, so you are saying 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into
2
okay.
into 2.
According to you, what about second?
If A and B
Same.
were seated.
Same.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 4 into 3 into 2 or 30 into, I mean, okay, 1 second. There are 30 students.
In a class.
See, it will be 20. No, it will be 28 into 27 into 26.
Yeah.
See, 2 students, A and B, can sit and they can sit at any of the 6 places and any of the 5 places. Correct?
Okay.
Remaining 4 places can be occupied by the.
Okay.
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 So similarly, we have 6 cases, right?
Yeah. Okay, okay. Like we have arranged A and B in the seats and then we have arranged the rest of the students.
One second. Which option is correct? Let me check this one. So, which is the correct one? 6 into 6 into 5, 34 P8. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it's a simple approach. Okay. So for the first row, A and B can take any these 2 positions. Okay.
Okay.
And at the remaining 4 places, I have total. How many total is this? So it's a 4.
So why they have used 34?
Hmm?
Why they have used 34?
Okay, you can, if you read the things carefully, see, A can sit, okay, so about all the 6 rows. See, for the remaining 28 students have 34 seats after A and B have taken their seats. 34 seats means what? It's a 4 seats from this. Sorry, 1 second. Give me 1 minute. I think I'm doing a mistake here. The remaining 28 students have 34 after A and B have taken their seats.
So can I explain?
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, please go ahead. I think I'm doing something.
There are total 6 rows, right? 6 rows with 6 seats each.
So
there are
so yeah.
36
Correct.
seats and 2
Yeah.
seats are already occupied by A and B.
A and B, yeah.
So 34 are remaining, and in that 34, the remaining 28 students can be arranged in
Okay,
34 P28.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
and you can go this particular cases. Yeah, that's correct. Thanks. I got.
No, but first 6 into 6 into 5, how that has been done?
Okay, that is the simple things. See, you have 6 rows. Okay, for 6 and 5, it's for 1 row. Okay. So you have 6th row for 2nd row, 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row, 6th row. You have to add all the things. That means 6 into 6 into 5.
Okay. But A and B should be seated in first row only. They have written it.
No. They have written a same row. They can sit in the first row. They can sit in the 2nd row, or they can sit in the 3rd or 4th, in 5th or 6th. Okay.
So why? So we can fix them into 6 into 5 ways. Why 6 into 6 into 5?
See, if you will fix in the first row, in how many ways you can fix? 6 into 5.
Yeah.
You have to consider
then we
all
are
the cases,
adding
right?
adding
Yes.
every. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not about. Okay.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Thank you. Yeah.
I
Thank
got,
you so
actually
much.
my mind
Thank you so
was.
much. It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It was clear to all of you, all the concepts.
Yes.
So hope you are preparing well for the Quiz-2 exam.
Yes.
So all the best to all of you. Thanks
Thank
for
you, sir.
everyone. I hope you got the.
Thank you so very much, sir, and good
Thank
night.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Just give your best on the exam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Okay. So good night. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best for
Bye.
Quiz-2 exam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.